Welcome. Welcome. Here we are with part 28 of building a Yippee mobile game. Yeah. In the last stream we did some saving of weapon purchases in the shop. Although we left off with a little bit of a bug, but I fixed it off stream. It was pretty quick. Yeah, a little bit of, I think we had some noodles to untangle in the code, and I untangled one of the noodles, so yeah, it was pretty good. Oh, hey, Arnmosa. Bruh, yeah, we're doing some more shop stuff today, and probably some gameplay tuning, I think, because I think we might get some of the shop stuff going. Yeah, should be pretty good. Bro. Anyway. Yeah. So we're doing some shop stuff, but should be good. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into it. Yeah. Hey, no problem, Aramosa. Yeah, I don't mind whatever floats your boat. I don't know what to say to those things. Yeah. Well, let's see. What have we got going on? Yeah, so in the last stream, we were working on this little shop thing. Bro, I ain't gonna say none of that. Bro. Sorry, man. I don't swim that way. Yeah. Bro. Yeah, anywho. Yeah, let me show actually what we kind of did in the last stream. And then the bug that I fixed. Because we've got some good stuff going. You will, bro. Yeah, let's show kind of what we got going from the last stream. Yeah, we had so this is what we were working on the last stream, like the little buy-in of the weapons in the shop. Yeah. So before, we couldn't really purchase these, but I fixed something off stream, and actually it looks like I already bought these, so let me actually delete this and then re-download it to kind of show what's going on. Yeah, so here's what we got going on. Yeah, so yeah, you can see now what we can do is we can buy this. Yeah, now we can select the weapon. Yeah, before it was doing some weird stuff where that didn't work. It was updating the melee or the ranged one when it should have been buying the one or the other, but not both. But I fixed this off stream, but now we can buy the upgrades, and we haven't yet to select them yet, but I can add that in. Yeah, that's probably the next thing to do. Yeah. So that should be pretty good. Yeah, I think that's the next order of business. We'll make it so that we can select one of these melee and ranged weapons. Yeah, because right now we can just buy them, but we have yet to be able to select them. Yeah, so we can actually equip them and show them when we play the game. That would be cool. That would be pretty cool. Yeah, let's jump into it then. Yeah, so we need to be able to select one of these upgrades. To do that, we have some code over in this upgrades view. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, so basically we just need to call this one function to set the current selected melee or ranged weapon and update the previous selected one to be unselected. Yeah, kind of like what we did for the skins. So I'm actually just gonna copy this code over. Because you see, we get the current skin, we make it unselected, and then we update the next one to be selected. Yeah, that's kind of how selecting the weapon would work. We gotta unselect the previous one and select the new one. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do for the weapons too. Same for how we did it for the skins. Yeah, we'll do this. So we'll say I guess also we need to have an if statement in here, if we're on the melee or the ranged, then we'll select it. Yeah, that should be good. So we'll say if a weapon type string is equal to melee. Otherwise, we'll do some things in here. Yeah, so this will be just like to do select weapon. Yeah, that's kind of what we're working on right now. So if we like buy a weapon, we should be able to select it after we buy it. Yeah. So that should be good. So we'll say like previous weapon. So we'll get current melee weapon because this is in the melee path. Yeah. And so then we'll have to deselect it. Like say we had the stick equipped or something. Then we need to deselect the stick and select the new weapon. Yeah. So that should be pretty good. So we'll get the previous weapon. And yeah, I guess we can say like player data manager dot set current melee weapon to this previous weapon, right? I think so. Wait, what code did I have copied before? Let me double check. Because it's basically the same as the skins kind of stuff. Oh yeah, we need to update it. Okay, so we need to update the list of the weapons, and then we can select or like update the current one. Yeah. I think so. So this is like get current skin, update the colorful skins. Okay, and then we set it. Okay, yeah, I'm missing this line. Yeah, so I need to like copy this whole thing basically. Yeah, and I'll use this as a reference for the upgrades. Yeah. So here's what we'll say. We shall say, instead of set current weapon here, we can do this after. Well, we can say player data manager update melee weapons with the previous weapon. So basically, like we have a list of all the weapons for every player, and then in that list we keep track of whether the weapon is selected or not. Yeah, so when we change it to false, we gotta update our list. Yeah. So that's what that is. Yeah. So then we'll say I think we have a variable here like current selected weapon or something. Yeah, selected weapon dot is selected. We'll set this to true, and then we can set the current melee weapon to what we selected. Yeah, that should be good. I think so. And then we can kind of just do this for the ranged weapon also. So we'll say get current ranged weapon, and we'll say update ranged weapons with this, and set the current ranged weapon. Yeah, that should be good. I think this is good. Yeah, that should be good. So now, hopefully, I think we can select the weapons in the shop. Yeah. Well, let's take a look. Let's test it out. See if we can kind of make the thing selected or not. Yeah, we'll test it in our little trusty simulator. So, if I select you, aha! See, now I can't select it again. It like turned gray, but I can select something else. Yeah, that's good. So we got that going. And I think it should like save it in our local database that we have it selected. So ideally, if I were to perchance close out of the app and reopen it, then it should kind of like, oh wait, did it save our selection? Hold on. Oh wait, I saw it like, oh okay, I think our select is a bit off. Oh, we got a little bug. Yeah, because I like say I select the bow and the bat, and I get out of this shop and go back in. Oh yeah, you see that? It's like, I think it like, it might not have the right thing selected. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Let's do a little bit of print statements and stuff to kind of see what's going on. Yeah. So I think we can probably put like a print, maybe in the onload of here, or like on up here. Yeah, we'll say like on up here. Or maybe in here. Like when we open the shop, we want to print something. Yeah, we'll say like print current selected melee weapon. We'll get our melee weapon. Yeah. Get the name, probably. I think so. And then, yeah, we'll do the same for the ranged one. I think so. That should be alright. Yeah, now we can like print and see what's going on. Yeah, let's see. So, let's take a little gander over at the output. Yeah, so we've got the bat and the bow selected. That's okay, I think. Oh wait, actually, yeah, it should, like based on the UI, we should have the stick and the slingshot selected. So I think what's going on is it's like, it's selecting the right thing, but it's not showing in the UI. So let's say I select the sword, and then the ray gun, and I go out and I go back in. Okay, yeah, you see it? It's like, it's selecting in the back end. So it's like saving in the back end properly. But the UI is kind of, it's not showing, like it's not accurate in the UI. But we've got it like saving properly, so that's good. Yeah, so we'll take a look in our UI and see what's going on. Yeah, because I think something a bit odd is going on. Something a bit, yeah, so we gotta like find out where the noodle is to entangle in our spaghetti code. Let's see, where does the noodle start and stop? Let's see. So, yeah, that code is controlled by this select here. Yeah, so it's like, if the weapon is selected, then, like this is enabled, basically controls whether the button is gray or not gray. So we don't want it to be gray when it's not selected. So, yeah, that's basically what this is. So maybe this selected weapon isn't right. What are we printing? So we're printing this. So this is accurate, but I guess like this variable here is not accurate yet. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, where are we passing this? Selected weapon. Okay. Alright. Let's see. We'll do a little bit of untangling of the code and see what's going on. So maybe I should print it also again. Maybe I can print like, yeah, what is this? Yeah, we can print maybe this variable whenever we, I guess whenever we click the arrow, we can print it. Yeah, that should work, I think. Yeah, so we'll just like print this variable whenever we click one of these navigation arrows. Yeah, so, yeah, I'll just say this, like selected weapon, maybe differentiate it by like selected weapon clicking right, like clicking the right arrow or something, just so that we know where it's printing. And yeah, we can do the same for like, well, actually, we're setting the weapon here. So maybe we want to put it at the bottom here. Yeah, so we can kind of know what's going on, because I have a feeling it's not like updating at the right time. Yeah, at least it's saving in the backend, right? So if all else fails, we can just pull it from the backend directly instead of using this variable. Yeah, well, let's see. I kind of want to use that variable. Yeah, we'll see. So, so I have like current selected melee and ranged, and then I go to the right. Yeah, so it says is selected false, which is true. Like we have the whatchamacallit, the sword is selected. So let's go to the right. Okay, yeah, so this should be true, actually. Yeah, but it's showing us false. So I think it might be... okay. Yeah, okay, so it's not like... nothing is selected then. Okay, I think that variable must not be getting updated to be like selected or unselected or whatever. Yeah, so it's probably not hooked up to the backend. It's like, I don't know, it's got some weird booleans that it's checking. Yeah, let's see. So when are we setting this? I think it's probably when we're setting it is wrong. Yeah, so we've got like get melee weapons, the thing. Yeah, maybe the array isn't getting updated, because ideally it should be like pulling from here when we navigate, and then it should update in the UI based on that. Right, yeah, so maybe we're not setting this array right. I have an idea. I'll print the array, because then maybe we can see like it's not setting right. Yeah. So I shall print after you. I'll print this selected, or I'll just say like I'll print the like both arrays. We'll say like print melee weapons for player, and we'll print. I guess we can just like call this, right? Yeah, why not? And then like we can do the ranged ones also. So that way we get like all the data. We get the backend data, and then we get like this little front end variable. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. See if they match. Yeah, so let's try. Let's do a little trying and seeing if the thing works. Or at least printing. Yeah, so let's say... Yeah, so right now we have the sword and the ray gun. These are selected. So, if I go to the sword... So the selected weapon for the sword, it's saying it's not selected. And in the back end, melee weapons for player... Oh, interesting. So okay. Oh, so this variable here is not like updating properly. So that's probably why. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. Yeah. So that's array there is like not accurate. Yeah, so we probably want to like update that array to be matching the backend. Yeah, so what is this? This is like get melee weapons, weapon detail index. Yeah, because I thought I updated this like over here in our where did I update it? Like here, I think. Yeah, update melee weapons with selected melee weapon. Yeah, maybe my code is wrong here in my backend. If player melee weapons name equals... Okay. I don't know, this looks fine. This looks alright. Melee weapons... Yeah, I think this is okay. Yeah. Let's see. It could be something else. A little bit of backend noodle untangling. Yeah. This is definitely wrong though. Like this should, like this was saying like the sword was like not selected. So this is definitely not good. Yeah, I think. Yeah, if it's like not updating here, then it won't update like properly. Oh, I see my mistake, I think. I see my mistake. I think so. Wait. Where did I put that code? It was... is this the right code? This is for like buying something. But for selecting the weapon, this is where that is. Yeah, so this was correct. So maybe this Update ranged weapons with previous weapon. I think I know what's going on. I think I need to also update the ranged weapon with the current weapon. I think I need to call both of those. Yeah, maybe I forgot that in here. Oh yeah, I forgot this line. Yeah, okay, so I think that was it. So like I'm doing this for the skins, but I forgot to do it for the... Yeah, see, I call like this update function twice. Yeah, update unique skins. Yeah, this is update unique skins, and then update colorful skins. Yeah, so after we set this to be selected, we update the array, and then we update the current skin. Yeah, okay, so I just forgot to call this, I think. Yeah. Yeah, so we'll do this. We'll say update ranged weapons with the selected weapon. Yeah, and we'll call this here also. Update melee. Okay, I think that should be good. I think this is good. Yeah, I think so. So, now let's see. So if I select you, now you get selected. That's good. So, okay, I have the sword and the bow currently selected. So now if I close out of the app and I go back in, oh no, still, okay. Oh wait, but it's just showing the sword and the bow is selected, but it's not showing the other one as like deselected, so it kind of worked. Like, yeah, it was kind of like, yeah, say I select the bat and the slingshot, I go back in, the bat and the slingshot are selected, but like the previous one isn't updating. Yeah, okay. So I think it's probably, yeah, it's probably like, let me check these logs again, this like print statement here, and try and print like the whole array instead of just like part of it. Yeah, I think that might help. But I think it's like almost working. It's like we fixed part of it. Yeah, I think we fixed like selecting the current weapon, but we didn't fix updating the previous one to be unselected, I think. Yeah, which is what this should do. But I think we're running into some bugs. We gotta find where the bug is, and we gotta step on it. Yeah, it's not a nice bug. It's not like a ladybug. It's like a, I don't know, like an angry wasp. We gotta step on those bugs. We don't like those ones. Yeah, so we'll, yeah, let me print the whole thing. Yeah, so instead of just printing a part of this, we'll print the whole array. Yeah. Cool. I think this is okay. And now, let's see. So, I'll go to upgrades. And, okay, see, we have the bat and the slingshot selected. So ideally, like the stick button there shouldn't be gray, because like that's not selected yet. But let's see what's going on in the array. So I'm on the bat. So the bat is selected, which is right. Well, let's check out the array for the melee weapons. Yeah, here's the stick. So it's saying is selected is false. Okay. And then this is true. And then for the sword, it's false. So this is actually accurate. Like in the back end, it looks accurate. So maybe, it could be that it's just not working for like the first thing in the array. We'll see. Yeah. Well, let's test it. So we go to here. Yeah, we select like both of those things. Yeah. And then we go out, we go back in. Yeah, so I think it's probably just like the first element in the array. Like when we first load the UI, it's showing as unselected. Probably because it's not like updating some default variable or something. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Yeah, this looks fine. It's only like when we first load the upgrades view. Oh, wait, that time it didn't do it. Let's see. Okay, that time it did it. Yeah, so it's still updating in the backend properly, but I think for like the previous selected thing in the UI, it's not. Yeah. That's kind of what I'm thinking. That's kind of what I'm feeling. Those are the airwave vibes I'm getting off of this. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, because it looks like it's only happening with the first melee and ranged weapon, which is like the stick and the slingshot. Yeah. Let's see. So, what is like the first variable that we load? So like when you first get to the UI, it shows like the first of each of the like the weakest weapons. Yeah, which is like, I think here, get melee weapons. Actually, you know what? I'll print this when we first load the UI, because I think that'll probably help. Yeah, because I feel like the backend is right. Yeah, so here, we'll say like, yeah, like melee weapons on load. Yeah, and we'll do this for the ranged ones. Yeah, that's what I think. We shall see. Let's see. So, alright, I need to go to this, and then it'll print. Okay. Yeah, so I have the bat and the bow selected. Let's see if it's actually... So the stick... Yeah, so this is like not selected in the backend. So ideally, like it should show these buttons as like not gray. They should be like yellow. But... So like the backend is correct. Like this is accurate. This data is good. So if I were to like use this in the game, like it would work. But just for this one UI page, yeah, it looks like it's not like... Let's see. I think it's only happening with the first thing, like the stick and the slingshot. Yeah, when we first load it. Yeah, let's take a look. Let's take a little bit of a look-see and see. Yeah, so... let's see. Yeah, where's it initially pulling the data from? Like here, right? So it's... here's selected weapon. Okay. Okay, and then what is that? Selected weapon. Oh yeah, that's like both of these bindings. Oh, you know what? You know what I think it is? Because these are bindings. These are coming from the super view here. It's in a different file, I think, where this bug is being caused. Probably. Like this get current and get... Oh, is it? I think so. Maybe I need to update the current melee and ranged weapon to be... Okay, so this is selected thing. And then what's it loading in the UI? I think I know what's happening. It's like... It's loading like the selected state for the actual selected weapon, but it's not showing that in the UI. Yeah, it's kind of a weird bug, but I think I know what's going on. It's like... Yeah, instead of get the current selected weapon, I need to like get the first weapon in that array. Yeah, so I need to change this code here. I need to say like get melee weapons 0. Oh yeah, I even had this for the skins actually. I don't know, I guess because this is like getting the current weapon instead of like getting the array. Yeah, I think I just like, I don't know. It was, but I think that'll fix it. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, sometimes I make my own noodles to untangle. But at least, yeah, it gets the brain gears going. So then we can make the gears spin faster when we do the other things. So that's good. It's like training myself to be able to debug. Yes. Okay, so now it's working. Yeah. Yeah, that was weird. So let's say we select the sword and the ray gun. And now we close out of the app. So we like stop the app. And then we open it back up. We go back here. Yeah, now it's like selected properly. Okay, that's good. That's good. Yeah, okay. So now that's like done actually. Like now these two tabs are basically like fully complete in the shop. Like it's saving the data persistently, and like all the UI is pretty much done. Like, so I don't know if I should do this tab like today. I don't know. Like basically when you make a purchase to buy some gems, it'll like save your balance like persistently. I kind of wanted to like, instead of working more on the shop, like after this bug, so I just fixed this bug. I kind of want to work on like, now the player can equip these weapons. It's like right now, if I were to like select the stick and the slingshot, like I don't have it set up so that it'll like show in the game. Like right now, it's just like showing the sword and the bow, but we're actually in the shop. We have selected like the stick and the slingshot, so we should kind of have those in the game. Yeah, so I want to work on that. Yeah, so that we can actually, yeah, I think it would be cool to shoot the laser beams. That would be cool. Like we don't have that yet. I haven't tested that yet, like whether the player can shoot the laser beams or not. But that would be cool. Yeah, so let's do that. Let's do that. Yeah, because right now we just have the player always holding the sword and the bow. Yeah, so we'll update it to kind of pull the data from what we selected in the shop. Yeah, that would be cool. Yeah, so I think we have like somewhere in our code. Oh yeah, by the way, yeah, this is like a really large file. Yeah, I don't know. There's probably ways to make it better, but yeah, we're at like 1,700 lines now. Yeah, that's why I keep calling my code a bit like spaghetti, because it's like this file is like a whole bowl of noodles. Yeah, it's like yeah, there's probably ways to make it cleaner. I think I've seen some other sprite kit projects that are like this particular game scene file, like they've made it like much more condensed using things like there's like control state variables, but yeah, I haven't like learned that yet. I need to look into it. Yeah, because right now I think that like control state stuff will make this much smaller. But yeah, right now sometimes we got like some noodles to entangle, but I think we're good. Yeah, so what do we want to do? We want to like have the player weapon be whatever they selected in the shop. Yeah, so I think we've got some code for that. Like, here's the player being created, and then here's creating the player weapon. So this is what we need to do. I even put like a little note to myself, like, pull this from persistent storage. Yeah, because right now you see it's like there's a constant here. It's like always setting it to be the sword. But like say I had selected the bat or the stick for my melee weapon, then I don't want it to be the sword here. Yeah, so we'll do this. We'll get I think we have like a player data manager object already, or maybe we don't. Maybe I should make that. Yeah. Wait, but I'm saving data in the game over. How am I doing that? Yeah, let's see. Because I'm saving data persistently already. Like I have it so that it's already saving the stats after you win a game or like after you die. Okay, yeah, so oh yeah, I don't need the variable because I can just use this shared thing. Yeah, it's a singleton. Yeah, it's like I don't need to make a variable for it. Yeah, so I can just say this. I can say like player data manager shared get current melee weapon. Yeah. So that's like sets the texture, and then we need to set the hitbox for it. So where is that being set? Oh wait, it's saying can't assign. Okay. Do I have texture or something? Yeah, I need to convert this to a texture. So this is like a weapon details object. Maybe I can just get the name, I guess. Yeah, I guess so. Let me think about it. Yeah, because I can't put a texture in here. Because this is getting, like, saved on the local database on the phone. And, like, the SK texture, like, object is not... It's not, like, a string or an int. It's, like, it's a custom object, so I can't save that here. So I have to, like, convert the name to a texture. Which is, like, I can use, like, a switch statement for it, but... I don't know. That's kind of gross. I might have to do it, though. I might have to do the gross thing. So basically, like, if the weapon details, if it's like, if it's a string, which is like bat, then I have to map it to, this texture here. So I need like a switch statement that does that. Yeah. So I guess I'll do that. Although I think I already had something like this in the weapon class. Yeah. If it's melee... Oh, for the power. This is like get weapon, texture, and damage from power. Weapon type... Okay, I can reuse this actually. I can get weapon helper dot do this, get the power, and then we'll just pass in the weapon type. Okay, I forgot I made this. Yeah, so I'll just use this actually. Yeah, we already have the switch statement. Okay, go figure, I guess. Yeah, because then this returns this tuple, and we can just get the texture from this. Cool. That's good. Alright. Yeah, this is good. Alrighty, so then we can just say like, whatchamacallit, weapon, helper, get the thing. This is a melee weapon, so we'll say melee, and then we'll say player, data, manager, shared, get, current, melee weapon, dot, power. Nice. I think that's good. Yeah, I think that should be good. Oh, and then we need to say dots, weapon texture. Yeah, that's a pretty long line, but that should do what we want. Yeah, that's a super long line. Yeah. That's just for the texture, and then we need also the hitbox, I think. Yes, this is like... Where's the hitbox being made? Yeah, so here's it's using the sword physics body. Okay, yeah, then we probably want to like... I guess we need another switch statement then? Just to get like the physics body? I guess so. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. How did I do it for the enemies? Yeah, I had a switch statement for the enemies. Okay. Yeah, then I'll probably want to do this for the player. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah. Yeah, we'll do this for the whatchamacallit, the player. Yeah. So I think this is just for melee weapons. Yeah, then we'll handle the ranged one after that. Yeah, so this should go probably like, where is it here? It's like, we get this, we set it right after the texture. Okay, weapon node, weapon texture, okay. So here's where we're setting the texture. So I can do this like here, I guess. Yeah, I guess so. And then instead of setting this, we can say like player.melee weapon node size. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. And then this physics body should be, instead of this, we can do this. We can get this physics body. Yeah, that should be good. Which is like, the physics body is just like the hitbox. Yeah. And then, instead of this power here, I can say this. We can say let weapon power, or I guess melee weapon power equal this. Yeah. So we'll put this here. That should be good. Cool. And then I think, do we need this bit mask stuff? I guess so. Actually, no, we don't. We don't. I think this is only for the enemy stuff. Yeah, we don't need this. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. I think we're good with that. So let's see, what else do we need to change? Enemy weapon node size. I don't know. I think it'll work. I think it'll work. Let's see. Let's see. So, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna run it. And we'll see. We shall see if we can now have our little player with his little stick in the shop, or in the game. Yeah, so let's say, yeah, let's say we got the bat, and now we go in the game. Oh no, wait, we still have the, wait, it's still showing the sword. Wait a minute, do I have some references that I need to take out? Wait a minute, let me see. Let's see, where do I have, like, sword here? Oh, wait. Yeah, so that's fine. That's also okay. This is alright. This is all good. This is all fine and dandy. I think this is okay. Yeah, so it should show that texture. The stick, or like the bat texture. Let's see. So, player melee weapon node gets the thing from the power. Let's print this. Melee weapon power. And let's see. Maybe it is supposed to show the sword based on the power, but it's not like updating properly or something. Yeah, let's see. So, if I go in here, I can select the stick. Okay, now I have the bat. Okay. Wait a minute. So that's... Okay. Well, now we have the bat. This is like the first time the player's ever had the bat. That's cool. Now I can bonk somebody. Ideally, he should have a stick. But... Oh, wait. I think it... Wait, did it crash? Oh, maybe it crashed. I think there's like some gesture stuff going on. Oh, I think it crashed. Uh-oh. I think maybe because it like collided with the bat and something crashed with that. Okay. I've got a couple things going on, but at least we've got a little bat showing up. That's cool. Looks like the melee weapon power isn't exactly right. Let me check, actually. Let me go to the whatchamacallit here and check what powers I'm setting for the weapons. This is 1, 2, 3. So ideally, based on this, it should show the stick. Yeah. So is my switch statement wrong, maybe? Let's see. Yeah, I think the switch statement was over here. Yeah, it says case 0, 1. Oh, yeah, my switch statement's wrong. Yeah, there should be like 1, and there should be 2, and then default to this. Yeah, okay. I wonder how that was affecting the code before. Oh, interesting. Yeah, this should actually be 1. Yeah. I want the power thing to be like 1 to 3 instead of 0 to 2. Yeah, I don't know how that was affecting stuff before. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, I think that should fix the thing. But yeah, that was kind of weird. I'm surprised I didn't catch that before. Let me see. Let's see. So hopefully we should have the stick now when we play the game. Yeah. Okay, yeah. That's working. Cool. Oh, I noticed the weapon got smaller for the enemy. Like, their sword is really small. Yeah, I think we kind of changed some of the code. And now their weapons are small. Okay, I think the sizes are off by a little bit. I think the stick is probably too big, and the sword is small. Also, I noticed when the projectiles hit the player weapon, it crashes. Or like, I don't know, it goes really slow. I think that it's trying to do like 1,000,000 collisions, I think, in a second. Which is probably why that's going on. Yeah. Yeah, also sorry for like, I'm not like super engaging this time. I think we're going in the weeds of the code a lot. So it's like, yeah, I don't know. But we're pretty close to finishing, so yeah, we've got some good stuff going on though. But yeah, I think the problem with the power stuff. Yeah, so this should be like a 1, this should be a 2. Same for this. Yeah. I think so. Wait, but doesn't that kind of get us back to where we were? Let me see. Let's see. So now we've got our stick. Yeah, see, our stick is smaller now. It should have been smaller. And the sword is like ginormous. That's okay. Oh, but then I noticed the ray gun is kind of shrunken down a little bit. I feel like the sword is too big. I don't remember it being that big. Yeah, that's pretty ginormous. That's pretty scary. So he's got one of those like Scottish great swords. Those are some pretty big swords. Yeah. The Yippee Excaliburs are pretty ginormous. Yeah. Ooh, we just took a laser beam to the face. Yeah, I think the sizes are a bit off. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, we'll investigate a little bit and see what's going on. Yeah. So we've got this stuff going on. Let's see. So for this is for the stick, the bat, and they've got these sizes, which I think we copied over here. Yeah, so that should be okay. Let's see. So this is the melee weapon. That's okay. Yeah, that's alright. And then, oh, yeah, this should be changed also. Yeah, I noticed something was wrong. I guess when we changed the numbering, it kind of affected some things. Yeah. Okay, I think that should be good now. So now, like, the enemy ray guns shouldn't be kind of scrunched up. They should be a little bit bigger. Kind of like it look like a normal ray gun. Yeah, I don't know if those swords are supposed to be so big. Yeah, I don't know, actually. I don't know. Yeah, see, the ray gun's like normal size. Yeah, so that's fixed. I feel like I should make those swords a bit smaller. Yeah, that's like... I noticed with my stick, it's like... How am I gonna defend against this guy? It's like so small, it's gonna cut my stick in half, and then I'll be a defenseless Yippee. Yeah, I don't know, man. That's kind of unfair. A little bit unfair. That's kind of why I wanted to do some, like, tuning of the gameplay also. Like, make the game a bit easier for the player. Because I feel like right now, as the game is, it's, like, pretty hard It's like almost impossible. Yeah, I need to like do some things to make it a bit easier. Yeah, like change the size of the enemy weapons or something, or like one of the things I wanted to do was make it so that you can like shoot the arrows like not like always straight ahead, like how it is right now. When you shoot the arrows, it's always like going straight, but I wanted it to like follow where you tap, so they can go at like angles. Yeah, because that way, when you're like on the side of a cliff here, you can shoot like upwards. I think that would be good. Oh yeah, also there's a bit of a bug here. Yeah, we seem to be phasing through the lasers. Well, we're like laser phasing ghost Yippee. Yeah, this guy's trying to like be in the Matrix, and I've got my Neolithic stick here, and we're able to go beyond the ray gun technology and just bonk him. Yeah, caveman beats futuristic cyborg technology. Yeah. Bruh. Yeah, we're actually like phasing through the lasers. Yeah, I think we gotta investigate what's going on there. Definitely. But I think for now, this is good. Yeah, I think the next thing I want to work on, so we got the melee weapon working for the player. So like now, ideally, I should go in the shop, and I can select the bat, and then I should show up with the bat. Yeah. Now we got the big bonker. But this thing, the ranged weapon is still always going to be the bow. Yeah, so that's the next thing we need to work on, like having it so that we can equip also the slingshot and the ray gun ourselves, and then we can become futuristic cyborg with our own ray gun. Yeah, yippee ray gun. That would be cool. Yeah, so let's do that next. Let's be a ray gun enjoyer or slingshot enjoyer, either or. Yeah, so let's see. So we kind of just need to copy like this switch statement, I think, for the ranged weapon. Yeah. I think so. But that might affect like how, like what projectile we're shooting. Yeah. So, yeah, we're setting this size here. Wait, why am I setting it twice? I just noticed that. We have like the same line of code here. Yeah, I can take out this line. Okay. Yeah, it's a little stray line of code there. Yeah, so now we can copy this and put it over with the player, so they can get the right ranged weapon. Yeah. So then we need to get the ranged weapon power. Yeah. So, yeah, we'll get the ranged weapon power. I think we get that here. Yeah. That's good. Alright, and then, yeah, we'll put that here. We'll switch on that. And then, oh wait, this is create enemy weapon. Wait, this is the wrong place. This should be up here. Yeah, this should be up here. So let current, what ranged weapon power? Or is it just like ranged weapon power, I think? Yeah, this is called melee weapon power. Yeah. And then this equals this. And then I guess we need to set the texture of the thing also. Yeah, also I can hide this. We're not using that. Yeah. That should be good. Now we won't use this bow texture all the time. We can use the ray gun or the whatchamacallit, the slingshot. Yeah, that should be good. That should be pretty good. So, yeah, I think this is okay. I think this is alright. And then we can say like, player ranged weapon node size equal the thing. Yeah. Yeah. That should be good. Alright. Yeah, so that should work actually. For the ranged weapon, for like the actual like texture for the weapon itself. But there'll be something weird that happens. There'll be something a bit weird. And it'll be kind of funny. Yeah, let's see this. I know what's gonna happen. Like, say we select the ray gun, right? And then we go in here. Now we have a... Oh, wait. Wait, okay, I thought it was gonna be like the ray gun, and we can fire the arrows. But like, we've got a little scrunched up bat. Okay, now that's unexpected. Okay. Yeah, now we've got like a bat which shoots arrows. Oh my gosh, wait. This is not the ray gun I was expecting. This is some new technology. Yeah, we thought we were gonna get the cyborg ray gun technology, but now we've got like a scrunched up hydraulic press bat shooting arrows. Oh my gosh. Wow, so if I put a bat in a hydraulic press, does that mean I can shoot arrows with it? I don't know. That's a weird sentence. I never thought I'd say that. Okay. Yeah, so okay. This is most unexpected. Yeah, let's see what's going on. I think we're pulling the melee texture for the ranged weapon. I think that's what's happening. But yeah, that's now that's interesting, huh? Yeah, so I think I'm probably getting some like melee texture somewhere. Oh yeah, this is like we should get current ranged weapon power. Where are we setting the texture for this? Weapon helper, get this. Oh yeah, we have dot melee here. This should be ranged. Yeah, that was our problem. Yeah, so now we can get like the whatchamacallit, the ray gun that shoots arrows, or the slingshot that shoots arrows. Yeah, let's see. So, yeah, now we have this cyborg ray gun technology that shoots arrows. So it's like cyberpunk, but we're back in the medieval times. Yeah, it's look his ray gun shoots lasers, but we shoot arrows because we're cool. And he's kind of, yeah, we're kind of the Neolithic, or not even Neolithic, the medieval times. That's what's hip. That's what hip nowadays. Yeah, that's yeah. That's the cool thing. Yeah. Yeah, the silly cyborg technology is not what we want. Yeah. Yeah, we gotta fix that. Yeah, the ray guns shouldn't be shooting arrows. That's a bit anachronistic. Yeah, it's a bit like out of time, out of place. Yeah. Yeah, we'll fix it. Yeah. Yeah. That should be good. Yeah, you see, he tries to shoot me with his upgraded laser beams, but he's no match for the power of spamming arrows. Ooh, but the rock on the other hand. Oh my goodness. Yeah, what a fiesta. What a fiesta, huh? Yeah, let's try and get like the ray gun to shoot laser beams. Yeah, it's the next thing. So, yeah. So where are we controlling what texture the player shoots? I think it's over in like the touches began function. Yeah, here. This is player projectile. Yeah. So right now we're setting this to be like an arrow all the time. But ideally it can be like a laser beam or a stone. Yeah. I don't know how we can get that though. Like, I might need to add that to the weapon details or something. Like this weapon thing. Yeah, I've got... Oh, no, we have range projectile texture. Okay. Nice, I kind of future-proofed it so we don't have to like do a code rewrite. We can just use this thing. weapon ranged projectile texture. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Yeah, we've got like this texture stuff here. So we can get the projectile texture from this also. Yeah, that should be pretty good. So, up over... Where is it? Here. We have this code, right? But now, we can do the same thing for the projectile. Yeah, that should be good. So over in our touches began, over here, we can say this. We can say, I can copy this over, and then we can just say like, I can say this. Dot ranged, or was it like dot projectile texture? Yeah, that should be good. That should be pretty good. I think so. I think that's pretty PogChamp. I think we'll get some laser beams coming out of the ray gun now. But here's another question. Will those laser beams do a right amount of damage? Because ideally they should do a lot more damage, right? Yeah. So we want them to really hurt. Because the rocks and the arrows, they don't do so much damage. But the laser beams, oh my goodness. Imagine getting hit by one of those. I'd rather be hit by a pebble. Yeah. Yeah. So let's see. I forget where I put that code. I think it's over in the did begin contact. Here. Yeah. So where am I handling player ranged collisions with the enemy? Let's see. So, yeah, where is the enemy getting damaged? Like, damage enemy. Yeah, where is this damage enemy called? This is when they're hit by, oh, wait a minute, I'm setting this as a constant 40 here. Wait, this is not good. We should not be setting that to 40. Update amount of damage to match weapon. Yeah, wait, is this a melee weapon? Okay. Yeah, this should not be 40. This should be like, how do I get the player's current weapon power? Or like damage? Let's see. Let's take a look. In our weapon class, this is where we're setting like what damage each of the weapons do. It's like the arrows hit for 10 damage, the laser beams hit for 30 damage, the sword hits for 40 damage, and yeah, so we don't want to put like a constant 40 there. We want to like pull it from here. We want to get like the damage here. So we want to say this again, like weapon helper, get weapon texture and damage from power, and then we need to get like the player's weapon, like melee. The power will be what the power was, and then we get the damage. Yeah, we need to do all those things. Yeah, so I think we'll just copy what we had in the touches began. Yeah. So, copy this. Yeah, where was it? Like down here somewhere, I think. In our did begin contact, right? Yeah. Where we had like a 40. Yeah, so instead of putting like a constant 40 damage that yeah, so it'll basically be like the stick hits for 40 damage, the sword hits for 40 damage. We don't want that. We want them to do different amounts of damage. So we'll say melee weapon damage, or like power, equals get current melee weapon power. And then we need to call this for here. We'll get like melee weapon damage equals this dot melee Melee weapon power. Dot damage. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that should fix that. I didn't even know that was a bug, but I think that should fix it. Yeah, so that's for the melee weapon. But now we want the ranged, like the arrows and the laser beams and the rocks to do different amounts of damage. Yeah, I forgot where that code is, though. We need damage enemy. Yeah, like we have a constant here also. Yeah, I guess I forgot to put like a to-do here. Like to do, like, set right amount of damage based on power of weapon. Yeah, I forgot to put that there. Is this for the ranged? Yeah, this is for the ranged projectiles. Yeah, so then we just need to do this again. Ranged. Yeah, that should be good. Alright. This is good. This is very good. Alrighty. Cool. I think we're good. I think we're good. Yeah, so now hopefully I think, according to my calculations, our laser gun should be shooting lasers now, and they should be doing a buttload of damage. Yeah, how's that? Let's see. Let's see, according to my calculations, let's see. So we got a bat, so that's like Unga Bunga land, but then we've got this high-tech ray gun that should be doing a... Oh my gosh, look at that, it's just like one shot. Oh my gosh, that guy just evaporated. Okay, let's see if we can evaporate some more enemies. Oh my gosh. I guess that's how a real laser gun would work, right? That would... Oh my goodness. Goodbye. Oh my gosh, look at this. We can... Yeah, I've never had the player shoot laser beams before. It's like the first time we're having him equip the ray gun. And look at that, that's kind of cool. Oh my gosh. I can spam to my heart's consent. Yeah, look at that. Oh, maybe he's gonna beat me with the sword. Oh my goodness. Go away, sir. I don't know how we're... See, this is like the situation I wanted to fix for making the game a bit easier. Because right now, like basically we have to get hit by a laser beam in order to get up there to beat that ranged Yippee. But if I were to shoot at like an angle, then I would be able to beat him. So I kind of want to change the code so that I can shoot like wherever my finger is touching. Or I guess in the simulator case, wherever my mouse is clicking. Yeah, because right now he just shoots like directly ahead of him. Which, yeah, right now we're gonna have to like get hit by this and lose the game. Which kind of makes the game a bit harder. Yeah, see, we get hit. Yeah, so we'll make it a bit easier. Yeah. Yeah. So I guess let's try that, I guess. Yeah, how do we want to like shoot at an angle? But yeah, I guess that is completed. Yeah, so I'm a bit like tongue twister. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, that's finished though. Like the shop stuff is complete. So now we can have any combination of weapons that we have bought. And like we got our slingshot. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, these are like pancake rocks. Oh, wait, these are supposed to be more circular. But we seem to have some pancake rocks being shot out. Wait a minute. Wait, so this is also like hydraulic press rocks. Yeah, before we had like a bat that was squished, but now we've got like squished rocks. We've got pancake rocks being shot out by our slingshot. Oh my goodness. But the pancake rocks seem to be doing us work. Yeah. Oh my goodness, though. What is up with that? Yeah, I didn't expect that. That was interesting. Huh. Yeah, let's see if we can make these pancake rocks not so flat. Yeah, this is like... I guess this is like flat Earth, huh? Yeah. Well, I won't go touting conspiracies. Yeah. Yeah, because then I might get banned. Yeah. Guys, the Earth is actually not flat. Yeah. Yeah, I have like PTSD from TikTok because I got banned on TikTok for an unknown reason, unfortunately. Which I don't know. But yes, Earth is not flat, unlike these rocks, which are like flats. Well, you can call like, isn't like another name for dirt like Earth? Like I guess you could say like the rock is like Earth, so the rock is flat Earth. Yeah. But the actual Earth is not. Yes, for PR reasons, I must say that. Yes. Anyway, let's make this rock more rock-shaped. More circular than flat. Yeah. I don't know. I thought I set like the right size on it. Maybe the size is not copied right, or let me see. So okay, here's rock texture size. It's supposed to be like this size. Yeah, what size am I setting it over in the other thing? Over where we're making the player ranged weapon. Oh wait, I think I know where that's being set, actually. I know where that's being set. Yeah, I know where this is being set. This is being set in our touches began, and it's not using the right thing. Yeah, it's setting the constant size right now. Yeah, see, this projectile is like a constant size. This should actually be using a switch statement. Like so. Yeah, although we get a lot of reds, but that's okay. That's easy to fix. Yeah, so we'll do this. Oh, we're switching on the texture. I guess that's okay. Projectile dot texture. Yeah. That should be okay. And then category bit mask. I don't think I need to set these. I think I just need to set the size. Oh, and the physics body. Okay. Yeah, so the laser beams and the rocks were actually having the hitbox of the arrow. Yeah, we don't want that. We don't want this. Yeah, so we'll set the physics body and the size here. And I think that's it, probably. I think so. Yeah, I think that should be fine. Yeah, because if I turned on the hitboxes, like, to show, it would show that. Yeah. I think now it's good. Now it should be good. Yeah. So let's see. Also, I love this Mystery Dungeon music, man. I put this on just because I get nostalgia. Yeah, one of my favorite games growing up was the Pokemon Mystery Dungeon Explorers of Darkness. And my goodness, I'll admit something. I'll admit something a bit personal. And that was the only game I ever cried in. Yeah, there's a scene in that Mystery Dungeon game where your partner, like, they, like, fade away. Like, they get deleted, basically. Yeah, a little bit of a spoiler, but yeah, that was so sad to me when I was like 8. Yeah. I didn't even cry in Nier Automata, but that game, oh my goodness. Mystery Dungeon's where the feels are at, man. Yeah. Pokemon feels. Yeah, let's see, I think our rock should be normal now. Yeah. Now we've got maximum Unga Bunga power. Yeah. Rock beats laser. Rock, laser, scissors. Rock beats laser. Yes. Yippee, rocks are supreme. Yeah, one thing I wanted to do about this game, like, I think, like, right now you can spam, like, if you really tap the screen or really click, it'll put, like, a ton of projectiles. But I'd rather have it not do that. Yeah. Yeah, because that's a bit broken. I would say. It's a bit overpowered. Yeah. Because I feel like people will never use the melee weapon if they can just spam the ranged one all the time. Yeah. That wouldn't be very good. Yeah. Also, I noticed that the ruby kind of like fell behind fell in front of the rock. Yeah. So if I try and get another ruby to show. Oh yeah, we're also going through the lasers again. We'll fix that. Let's see if we can get a ruby to drop though. Yeah, see that? Like the rocks are going behind the ruby. I kind of want them to go in front of the ruby. Yeah, it looks a bit weird. A little bit weird. We'll have to update the Z positions to fix that. That shouldn't be so bad. Yeah, let's update the Z positions. Yeah. Make sure the Z of the ruby is always behind the Z of the player's projectile. Yes, so let's see. I think we have like ruby.z position or something. So this is 2. That's a really low number. Yeah, ideally. Oh wait, but that's still in front of the projectile. So we need this to be even lower. Do we want this to be a 1 then? I wonder. Wait, so then what is the projectile Z position? This is 9. Wait a minute. Oh, for the enemy though. Wait, let me keep this at 2. But then, yeah, this is 9, huh? Okay. Yeah, let's increase it to whatever it was before. Or for the enemies. Yeah. I'll make it go up a bit. I'll make it go a little bit up for the other things. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. Yeah, so yeah, here it's 2. Yeah, ideally we should make this kind of like also a 9. I think. Yeah, I think that should be good. Yeah. Now let's see. So, if I were to run the app again, let's see. So if I get a ruby, then I think our projectile should go in front of it. Yeah, let's see. I've got a maniac Yippee on the loose. Oh yeah, like now our rock is going like over this ruby. That's pretty good. Cool. Alrighty. So that is good. Yeah, wow. We fixed a lot of this pretty quick. I didn't expect that to take only like, what was that? We've been live for like an hour and 20 minutes and we already did the weapon equipping. and most of the data saving. Yeah, that's good. That's pretty. We're on time by a lot. So maybe, I don't know, what else should I work on? Maybe once you buy the rubies, it should update like the amount. Like if I buy this, then it should like update the thing in the top right corner. Yeah, let's do that. So, yeah. So I went away for a little bit. Alright, yeah, so... oh yeah, also we don't need to print this anymore, because it looks like this is working. So we can take out those prints. Yeah, like, where do we have those? I think they were not here, in here, the upgrades. The on-appear prints. Yeah, we'll get rid of these prints. That should be okay. Alright. Yeah. So now let's do the gems view. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Initiate payment passes as a closure parameter to gem row view. Wait, do we need that? I wonder. Tapped on row 0 unknown. Interesting. Anywho. Yeah, so when we tap on one of these rows, we want to be able to, like, if we make the in-app purchase, update the number of rubies in the top right. Yeah. Yeah. So, we have product index, row index. And I think we're handling all the shop code over in the view model. Here. Yes. Okay. This is okay. Let's see. So, perhaps, let's take a little look. Yeah, here's this first to-do that I want to work on. Yeah. So I don't think we need to print this products. I think that was like this big thing here. Yeah, we probably don't need to print this. Yeah, 60,000, 6,000. All these ruby amounts. Oh, this is one of my favorite Mystery Dungeon songs. It's called Temporal Tower. Nice. Nice. Alright, yeah, let's see, so... What do we need to do? We need to, what do I call it? Update the number of rubies based on what we bought. Which is like this product index stuff. Yeah, so I guess that would be here, right? Switch on product index. Case 0, case 1, case 2. Right? So basically, like, whatever row we have. Yeah. Yeah. So, we should say player data manager. Oh wow. Player data manager shared. Updates total rubies with I don't know what denominations do we have for our in-app purchases. 50, 110, 300, 600, 6,000, 60,000. 50, 110, 300, 600. Yeah, let's do that. 50. Was it 110, 300, 600, 6,000, 60,000, I think. This can be our default, I guess. Yeah, that should be alright. Yeah. Do we only have 5 denominations? So 50, 110, 300. Oh, we're missing 600. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. I think that's everything. But it won't update the UI though. It'll update the backend though. But not the UI, so we might need to pass something in here. Probably. That's what I'm thinking. So... let's see. Let's take a little gander. I think... So where is the UI being shown? It's here, right? Oh no. Oh wait, that would be in the shop view, right? Oh, so we need to pass the number of rubies down. Kind of like how we do for the other views. I think. Yeah. Yeah, we have like total rubies here. So we probably need to pass this down. That's what I think. Yeah. So here we have total rubies. Yes. Cool. And then oh, this is also binding. This is shop tab view. Gems view, total rubies. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, is that an extra argument? I don't know. Gems view, total rubies. Here's gems view. Oh, this is gems row view. Yeah, we need this and the other one. Here. Ah, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so here we need also probably the number of rubies. That's what I'm thinking. And we add the little Thai $sign in there. Maybe we can put all this on its own line. Yeah, that looks a bit nicer. All right. So, when we purchase something, then we should like update the total number of rubies. That's what I think. So then can we pass that into our view model? Like, total rubies. And pass like the binding? I think so. What's this? This is a binding int. So we can do this, right? We can say in here, total rubies, binding int. And then here, we just say like, total rubies equals, well, I guess Here's what we need. var total rupees bought. I can say this. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, so that way when we update the variable, it should update the UI also. That's kind of what I'm thinking. But we'll see. We'll see if that's kind of how it works. Yeah. I think this is how it works. Let's see. So... And now we don't need this break. Yeah, let me actually see though. Oh wait, we have, yeah. Okay. Now let's see. Oh wait. Wait a minute. Oh wait, I can't update the variable. Not like that. Hold on a second, let's see. So... I want to make it so that when you buy the gems, it'll update that you bought them. But it looks like... I think we're running into a little bug. A little small one. Where it looks like we can't save that we bought the gems yet. So I think... Yeah, here's our gems view. Yeah, I feel like... Ideally I should be able to update this variable, but I think... the way we're passing it in, maybe not. So... Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So if we like purchase this thing based on the row index... Yeah, we should be able to update this. Yeah, so like, say we buy some rupees with like, I don't know, we spend $5 and we get 110 rupees. Then we need to update our total amount of rupees to like plus 110. Yeah, but I think we're running into a little bug. A little bit of a bug. Yeah, so this should update it, but I don't know if that'll update the UI. Yeah. I got an idea though, we can at least see if it's like updating in the back end though. At least we can check that. We'll say total rupees updated to... And we'll get the number of rupees we have. Player data manager shared get total rupees. And then we'll do this before also. Maybe up here. Total rupees before purchase. Yeah, that should be good. That should be pretty good. Let's see. Let's take a look. So, if I were to run this and see, let's see. Oh wait, $5 was 300 rupees actually. Let's see. If I buy it, let's see if we print something good. Total rupees before purchase. Oh, did it not go through? Oh, it might not have. Our transaction might not have gone through. Oh, we might have just scammed the user. Uh-oh. That would be unfortunate. Oh wait, it says total rupees updated to... Oh wait, no, we didn't skim. Yeah, look, it updated. Yeah, I went plus 110. Cool. Nice, that's good. That's pretty good. So then, how do we update the UI to show that? Like, say we buy it again. Oh wait, it's not prompting us to buy it again. We're just able to, like, spam this. That's no good. But if we go out and we go back in, see, now it updated our balance. Yeah, so what if we buy like 5,000 gems? Or 6,000 gems, I think I have it. Like for 50 bucks, we buy 6,000 gems. I go out of the shop, our 8,243 gems is now 14,000. Or 253, yeah. Cool. So that's good. But it should update like without having to need to go out the shop and go back in. Yeah. So there's a little bit of a bug there. A little bit. So let's see what we want to do. I think we perhaps would like to yeah, whatever variable that is needs to be updated to update the UI. Does it need to be updated in a Swift UI view? I wonder. Because I don't think I can update it as a parameter. I don't think it's letting me. Yeah, because if I go to the shop tab view, I'm passing total rupees here. I guess that's coming from this shop view. Yeah, total rupees. I need to update this state variable. And I think I'm only able to do it in the Swift UI code. Like say for upgrades view. I update the total rupees in here. Yeah, see, I'm setting this variable, total rupees equals this. And that's like updating the UI. It's like re-rendering the UI and updating it when I set that. But I think, based on the current code, I can't really do that for the in-app purchases, huh? Yeah, because I can't do this. Yeah, because I'm setting like a parameter, which can't be done. Let's think then. How do we want to update this? Maybe we can return the number of rupees bought. Although it'd have to be an asynchronous return. Yeah. But then we can update our number of things, our number of rubies. Yeah, so this is like task. We'll return the number of rubies we bought. Returns number of rubies bought. Number of rubies. Isn't that a streamer? I think so. He's like a Hispanic streamer. El Rubius. Oh yeah, we need to return some stuff. Yeah, so we can return... We can say this. Return... Total... Total rupees bought. And then in all other cases, we can return... return 0. Yeah. Return 0. Right? I think so. I think so. But how do we need to make this like async then? Like, is that a thing in Swift? Like async function? Async must be written after the parameter list. Okay. How do I do like task return variable Swift? I've never returned from an async in Swift. From like task. Yeah, what are we awaiting on? We're awaiting on the purchase. Okay. Yeah, okay. I'm looking at some code to try and figure this out. Let me show kind of what I'm looking at. Yeah. Let's show this. Here's the little overflow link. Little Stack Overflow. So, yeah. So we need to we need to be able to like update the code based on what's returned. Yeah. How do we call this? Like, how do we call this and get the value? Main actor func task. Do we need to get like an actor for this? I don't know, that's kind of a lot. Let's see. Await insert thing. Maybe there's something else. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna check something else. Let's see. There could be some other... could be some other thing. Like task. Get the thing out of the task. Maybe I can wait on the function? Task await. I'm looking at some code here. This also looks promising. Let me pull this one up. Yeah, Jamie, pull that one up. We'll pull that one up. Well, I won't show it. It's like, I don't know, it's like leaking a bit. But we'll call this. We'll call this. So over in our gems view, we'll say this. Let rubies updated equal await this. And we don't need to pass this in anymore. Oh yeah, and then they said like put task around this, I think. Right? I think so. But then how do I make it async? Do I need to make it async? Async return. Okay. Ah, yeah, that was what they had before. They said put like async here. Async return. Interesting. That's interesting syntax. I don't think I've ever used that. Yeah, then we can return this total rubies bought and update the UI. That should be good. Yeah, let's try this. So now we can say total rubies equal plus equals rubies updated. Right? Or total rubies equals player data manager shared get total rubies. I think so. I think that should be good. Now let's see. Now let us take a look. Oh wait, we have a warning. Oh, it's like a let warning. That's fine. Well, let's show the simulator and see what we get. So if I earned a bunch of monies and I want to spend them on some rubies, like I want to get 300 rubies, then does that? Oh, you see it updated here, but it didn't update in the UI yet. Total rubies equals the thing. If I go out and go back in, does it update to 553? Yeah, okay. So it should update automatically when I do this. Oh, now it is updating. Oh, what the heck? Oh, what the heck? Oh, it only updates after the second one. But the first time I buy it, it doesn't update. Oh, that's weird. Let me try deleting the app and doing this. I have a feeling it's something to do with the fact that the pop-up's not showing. Because we already made the purchase. Let's see. So I buy this. Oh. Yeah, the pop-up's still not showing. And it's updating our amount. Most interesting. Most intriguing indeed. Yeah, what could be going on there? What could indeed be going on? Yeah, this is really the last thing that we need in the shop. It looks like it's saving appropriately in our database. And it's... the only thing happening is that it's getting delayed to update the UI. Yeah. The first time it doesn't update. But the second time it does. Why could that be? Why could that be? Do we need this? Are we even using the result of that? I don't think we're using the result here. Interesting. Interesting. I guess I don't need to return this then. I can take out these returns, because yeah, return 0 is kind of weird. Yeah, we don't need this, but this does need to be async still. Yeah. So... what's next on the horizon? Perhaps what we could do is... this is getting total rubies. That's fine. This is updating the total rubies. Yeah, which is... it's able to do that, actually. But updating the UI is a bit more... a little more involved. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so ideally it should update the UI here. Like even on the first try. I wonder. wonder. Yes, if I run. Oh, yeah, I still had the thing showing. My bad. I updated some small bits of code. Yeah, let's see. So this, see it like updates here. Yeah, I just took out like the return statement. That was all for the purchase function. Yeah, so this is updating, but it doesn't update the whatchamacallit, the UI, the number of rubies in the top right, unless I click it a second time. Oh, and that time it updates. Oh, I see what's going on. It's like updating based on the previous purchase. Oh. I see, like, I click 110, and it'll add 50. And I just clicked 110, so when I click 50, it'll add 110. Yeah, see, it's updating based on the previous purchase. So that's why it's not updating for the first time, because there is none. Yeah, why is that? It's not updating at the right time. So it's like you purchase the thing, and they should update after that. Let's see. Player data manager shared update total rupees with the bot amount. That's okay. Alright. Okay. And our gems view. So we do this, set total rubies equal to this. Player data manager get total rubies. I mean, unless it's not like a waiting or something. That could possibly be it. Interesting. Interesting. Perhaps, but let's see. What else could be going on here? What else indeed? Thinking emoji, thinking emoticon. Also, I'm gonna check the sound while I'm at it. Yeah, I think I upped the music for this stream, because I noticed it was like, not even, like, I didn't even hear it in the last one. Yeah. So let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know if it's good. Okay, I think it's actually good. It's okay. I think we're A-okay. So perhaps, what could be going on here? I think it's updating too late, probably. Like maybe it's not awaiting this or something. And then total rupees doesn't get updated. Yeah. That's what I'm thinking. That's my theory. Let's see. Are we correct in our theories? Question mark emoji. Also, I said, like, initiate this as a closure past a gem row view. Oh, this should be fine, though. I think it's mostly working. Like, technically, it's updating the right balance in the backend, but it's just not updating the UI yet. Yeah, yeah. Like it's like one delay on the UI. Yeah. So I buy the thing, and it doesn't update just yet. Yeah, let's see. Let me try running it again and seeing the debug logs for this again. So, oh no, yeah, it's the weapons. But if I were perhaps to buy this, so now I buy like 110 rubies, and it shows up here. So it like properly updates our balance, but then it doesn't show in the UI until I like click another one. Yeah, so it's like kind of like, I think our state updates are a bit delayed. Yeah, probably. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, let's see. What could be going on there? So like, let's say I want to buy 300 rubies. It updates to 50 because that was the one we clicked before. But I buy 50 again, it does plus 300. Yeah, so it's like one off. I think... How can we update the UI like at the same time as the backend? Let's see. Yeah, so if I like buy this, I buy this again. Yeah, our UI is a bit like, it's like delayed update or something. Yeah, so something going on. Let's see. I'll do some more printing here, because ideally this is where the UI should be updating. Yeah, let's see. Total rubies after purchase. I'll just put like UI display. Yeah. Let's see. So let's try running this again and see. Here, we'll take a little gander over at our gems. So if I click this, what is total rubies? Total rubies after purchase. I see that. It's like, I don't think it's awaiting. Yeah, ideally like this number should be the same as this one. But I think there's some kind of, I don't know, I think my async await stuff isn't working how I think it is. Yeah. But at least I think that's, like we found the bug. It looks like it's not waiting for this before updating the UI. Yeah. So we need to make like the UI wait for this line. Yeah. Oh wait, I still have the thing up. Yeah. Wait, we need this line to run and finish before this one runs. Yeah. So how do we make this like wait for the code to finish? Yeah, I do have this async stuff. And we're awaiting on this result. So that should be fine. Let's see. Yeah, maybe I guess I'm still used to like synchronous Swift programming. Let's see. Can I do like a wait for the thing? Oh yeah, let's see. So this should be okay. What if I don't return anything? Like that should still be fine. Let's see. What could be going on? I'm looking at some Stack Overflow stuff related to async await. Let me kind of show some of this stuff, because yeah, a lot of this stuff I don't really do a whole lot of async stuff. So let's see. Yeah, they said probably use like main actor. Yeah, so okay, I think because we're trying to update the UI on a background queue, I guess. We can't really do that. We probably need to put this main actor stuff to make it update on the main queue. Yeah, because that's where the UI is updated on the main queue. So maybe we need this like main actor stuff over in our other file. Yeah, let me try that. We'll plop over a main actor over in here. Boop. There we go. Let's see. We might need... It doesn't look like it's highlighting. We might need to import something. Well, I think we're okay. Let's see. So now if I run this, it might update on the main thread, and we'll have our stuff run. Yeah, so let's see. So now if I buy something... Oh, still. That's still not waiting. So I don't think it's that. I think it's probably like... this await isn't actually awaiting. Yeah. So how can we get the awaits to wait? Let's see. We might be misunderstanding something about Swift concurrency. Yeah, because before I just used to use like those like before Swift UI in the old days, there was like dispatch queue, main async, and now they added this task like async await stuff. Yeah, so that's the new stuff. That's the new kid on the block, Swift concurrency. And I have not really used it much at all. Yeah, but I kind of want to learn a little bit. Yeah, we like to do a little bit of learning and putting a little bit of more brain stuff in the brain. Yeah, so we can learn a bit more. Yeah. So let's see how can we get this task thing to work. I have an idea. I do have an idea. Here's my idea. I think I know what's going on. Here's my idea. So instead of doing... Well, I'll comment this out. We'll store this here. Let, like added rubies equal this. And then we'll say this. Total rubies plus equals this. So that way it's like referring the variable that needs to be weighted on, I think. And then we'll need to do this in our view model. Oh, also I love this Pokemon Mystery Dungeon theme. What is this? This is Aegis Cave from Explorers of the Sky. Oh man, that brings back the memories. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that is some nostalgia vibes for sure. Yeah, I think... Okay, so that's good. And then we'll do this. Yeah, I think we're good. So now, let's see. Now that we're like updating the variable based on something that needs to be weighted on, then maybe it will wait for it to be updated. Yeah, well, let's see. So if we run this again... Because I think that was the problem. It wasn't like waiting on the thing to update. So if I press this... oh, wait, still. Yeah, we're still running into the same thing. Yeah, so total rubies, this gets printed. Yeah, so it looks like... yeah, this code gets run like before this. Interesting. Yeah, total rubies after UI purchase. Okay. Yeah, wait, how is it getting this variable then? It's like, here's like the way of execution. This is like, this is running third. This is running first. This is running second. Or something. It's really weird. Yeah, we need it to run... I don't know. We gotta go back into the old days, maybe. Maybe we should do like dispatch queue main async stuff. I don't know. Wait, but I don't think we can do that with this library. With like... We need to await this purchase. Yeah, I think this... Yeah, this is an async function. Yeah, so this purchase was actually written in like the newer iOS versions, newer Swift versions. Yeah, so we have to use the async task stuff. I guess we'll do a bit of learning then, and see how to get it to work. Yeah. So that we can get our code to run in the right order. Yeah, based on the timing of the stuff. Yeah. So let's see. Maybe I don't need to put that in task. I feel like I do though. I want to bring back up the example I'm looking at, because I might have missed something. Yeah, I might have perhaps missed something important. Perhaps. Let's see. So in this example, they've got task, and they're awaiting some restore function, which I'm guessing is some like async function they have. And based on the result, then they're showing something, they're printing something. Yeah, so here's what their code is. It's like a started task after task submitted. Task finished shows up seconds after started task. Yeah, so yeah, this is like wrong, so I guess what the solution is here? So how would you access the result out of the task block? You would save it to an observed property. Oh, so observed object, that's okay. I think we have that. Await, restore, quest restore, do the thing. Oh wow, this is kind of in the weeds a little bit. Let's see. Oh, they've got this published variable here. Oh, maybe I need a state variable for this? Perhaps. I might need that. So if I had like a state variable for like how many rubies I need to update, then I update it here, like is presented, and they're passing it, state var is presented, this publish var state. Wait, where is this getting used? The state variable. Let me see. They've got wherever this App Store request stuff is being called. Oh wait, they're setting the published to a state by default, and then they're updating it. Okay, there's also this try await stuff. Maybe I need to put try before the await. Perhaps. Because it could fail, I guess. It's very bad code. Okay, I guess we won't use it. Mr. Ilyas says this is very bad code, so we won't use it. Here's a fixed variant, they say. Await main actor run. Update on main. See, that was the other thing I saw with the main actor stuff. This looks to do the same thing. Yeah. I don't know if that'll... Yeah, so let result equal await this. Print the result. Ideally, this should print... Like, this should wait and then print this. And await main actor run this thing. I'm gonna try some things. I'm gonna try this, like, main actor run stuff. Like, await main actor run... and then update the stuff. Maybe that'll work. We'll see. We do a little bit of experimentation and see if our experiment proves successful. Let's see. So they said like await main actor run this thing. So hopefully this runs like after this. And we want this to go first and then print this. Yeah. Let's do this, like print added rubies and then print or maybe just like print fetched rubies to add and then added rubies. Well, I guess we have this already, so that should be fine. We can do here about to update total rubies variable. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we are perhaps successful in our one of our experiments. Let's see. We're kind of like a little bit of an experiment scientist or something in this regard. Let's see. So we have 13,000 gems. I want to buy 300. Okay, so it updated. Yeah, it's still okay. Yeah, it's still like updating like way after everything. Okay. Yeah, so like ideally it should like update to 13,300 and then do this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Because I think if we click something else, it'll update. Right? I think so. Oh wait, now our UI is not even updating. Oh bruh. Oh wait, we have this. I've been ignoring this error. Oh, what is this error? We've got publishing changes from background threads is not allowed. Make sure to publish values from the main thread using receive on model updates. Okay. Oh, because I think... Yeah, I think, this is a background thread, I think. Unless I do this. I put the main actor on the whole thing. Yeah, this is kind of like a main actor sandwich. Yeah, trying to put everything on the main thread so it's not on like a background thread like they're saying. Yeah, well, let's see. I'm not quite sure. We're still a bit new to this Swift concurrency stuff. But we'll take a look and investigate. So now we're back in the shop. We've got our balance updated. If I click this, let's see. Still kind of the same thing. Okay. And we still got the same warning. I think that only started happening when we had this awaits main actor run code. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take this out then. Yeah. Then, let's go back to the drawing board and investigate another strategy. Yeah, because I think, yeah, the main thing, I just want this to run, like, first, and then do this. That's kind of like the main thing. Yeah. Let's see. So, because this purchase one is like an async function. Yeah. So that's here. We've got this async function. Because it's waiting on this. It's like try, await, purchase, and then this takes some time because you might need to like, you're like doing an in-app purchase, so you gotta like type in your details and stuff and like log in and buy the thing. And then once you buy it, then it will update like the total number of rubies on your account or like your phone. Yeah, and it'll like return this. So that should be alright. But it looks like this is like it's taking a little time. It's taking a little bit of time, so yeah, let's see. We're back in the gems view. Here. Yeah, I don't know if I should have this task then. What if I just take out this task altogether? But then I think I need it for this await. I think that's how that works. Yeah, it's saying like, cannot pass type, async void, expecting synchronous function type. Wait. Oh, because this is a custom view that I wrote like a while back. Maybe I can like, is there a way I can make it like asynchronous? I don't know. Maybe not. Perhaps we cannot do this inside our little button there. Interesting. Let's see. I'll try a couple more things before we refactor this button. Yeah, I feel like... what's like a minimum example for this? Like if I were to just like await something and then update it in SwiftUI in a SwiftUI view. Let's see. We'll do a little bit of investigations. Yeah, I'll consult the Googlegadoos and see what do the Googles say about this SwiftUI async stuff. Like SwiftUI async task update UI. I found like a Stack Overflow post, which is literally like the exact same thing I'm trying. Okay, let's see. Perhaps they have the same kind of thing that we're looking to do. Yeah, let's see. So, if I consult this, let's see. Yeah, see this one. This is like update UI after async await call. That's what I'm trying to do. Yeah. Oh, but they're using dispatch queue. Oh. Yeah, that's not like... that's the old style. That's what I'm used to. But I think with this new store kit stuff for in-app purchases, they use the new stuff. Yeah, they use the new stuff. Do catch... Oh, they mark main actor on the function. Yeah, I don't know if that's exactly what we can use. Because I don't think we can use this dispatch queue main async stuff that I'm used to. Yeah. But they do have this await stuff. Try await. Yeah, so they have these main actors stuff. I'm thinking I'm missing like some main actor stuff. I definitely think I need that. Because that's what puts it on the main thread, I think. Yeah, so we have this task main actor. So that should be okay. So that will update on the UI. But since we are updating on the UI though, that's working, but then we need it to update after this. That's the only thing left in the shop. That's like literally the only thing left, is to make sure like once they buy the rupees with their hard-earned cash, that it's able to like show in the shop that they bought it. Even though it's like updating properly in the back end, it needs to show in the UI like at the time of the purchase, because otherwise they might feel like they got scammed, and we don't want that. Yeah. Then they'll like 1-star the app and be like, oh my gosh, I just bought this and nothing happened. That would suck. That would be very unpog, I would say. Yeah. So yeah, we gotta make sure this balance shows like right after they purchase it. It's like updates. Yeah, so let's see. Is there a way I can like... how do I like force this to be delayed? Like after this? Yeah, can I like... I don't know, I'm tempted to like do another task or something. I don't know, it's like a weird task sandwich. Yeah, a little sandwich here. I don't know. It's kind of a bit odd, but I mean, I'm open to experimentation, and we'll do a little bit of Frankensteining of the code, and see if we can bring the feature to life. Let's see. So I buy this. I buy it again. Oh no, now it's not even updating. I think, yeah, that might have done more harm than good. Let's see. So, what if I take it out again? Yeah, what's it currently doing? Because before we had it so that it did update the thing in the top right, but it didn't like, whatchamacallit, it like only updated after the second purchase. So like if I buy something, like I buy this 300 and I click the second one, then it would have updated. But I think this changed when we added the main actor. Yeah, I think it changed when we added this main actor stuff. Yeah, let me try this again without the main actor and see if we can kind of get back to the state that we were in. Yeah. Now let's see. So, I click the 300, then I click the 110. Ah, no, wait, the thing is still... Okay. Okay. I mean, at least it's updating in the back end, though. That's good. That's good. Yeah, so total rubies before... Oh, wait a minute. I just noticed it's like... It's subtracting. Wait a minute. Wait, they buy rubies and then they lose rubies. Oh, no, wait, no, this is the previous print. Wait, I think wait a minute. Hold on, I'm gonna delete the app and re-download it to get like a fresh set of data. Just to make sure. I'm kind of bugging a bit. I'm kind of bugging on a stack with these numbers, man. Yeah, we gotta see where are the numbers coming from? The numbers, what do they mean? Let's see. So this is like, it starts out with like 5,000 just for testing. Yeah, because we like to give ourselves 5,000 rubies because we like to cheat. Yeah, so then I buy the 300. It updates properly to like 300, not in the UI yet. But then I do this. I buy the 110. Okay, so this is working. It's like, it's updating the right amounts of the things that we buy. Yeah. Oh yeah, even I can do this. I can like buy the thing. Yeah, I guess it didn't show up before because I guess I already bought it on this device. Yeah, we'll have to make sure like on my own phone outside of the simulator that it shows up every time. But yeah, if I go out of the shop and go back in, now the balance is updated. But yeah. Oh, and even like it'll show this again. Okay. Cool. All right, I can spend my virtual money, my fake money, on my own rubies. Yes. You know, actually, I used to do in-app purchases like a couple years ago, and they didn't have it so that you had to like this little pop-up for like buying this stuff was never. This is new. This is like one of the recent iOS updates. Before, for doing in-app purchases, you actually had to have a sandbox account and preload it with like fake money and do this. But now it's much easier. Like there's just like a couple lines of code and it'll automatically do that little pop-up stuff. But yeah, before you actually had to like have fake money in your balance and test it, which is, it was kind of gross. But yeah, now they have this little thing. But yeah, we gotta make sure it like updates in the UI so you don't have to like click out of the shop and go back in to have the little rubies update. Yeah. That's the only thing left in the shop though. Like, cause we just finished this like right before this. Like we made it so that you can like buy like a weapon and select it and it'll show in the game. Yeah, like we just finished that. Like that was actually my plan for the stream. And like we finished it in like an hour. So it was like, oh man, that's like, we're like way ahead of schedule. Yeah. Although I know that there's a bug when the lasers collide with the bats, it freezes a little bit. Yeah, we'll have to fix that. But like now we have our own laser beams. And we can defeat the enemies with our own lasers. Yeah. But see, this scenario, I wanted to fix this because like, yeah, this kind of makes the game a bit hard when you can't like fight back against that little dude on the, like, because when they spawn on the bridge, like I have to like go up to meet him to be able to fight him, and I have to like tank a laser beam to the face, which kind of makes it a bit hard. Yeah, I want it so that like you can maybe like shoot lasers like up towards him, like at an angle, instead of like straight ahead, so that we can get him. Yeah, because right now it's kind of like, I mean, I have it so that you can like, you can hit the projectiles with your melee weapon, so that kind of makes it a little easier. But yeah, still like, yeah, I mean, I just got a laser to the face syndrome. Yeah, and I kind of lost the game from that. Yeah, so we'll have to like make the game a bit easier. Oh yeah, also there's a bug where like we're able to like phase through the lasers. Yeah, so there's a couple of little insects, little bugs to fix, but we'll get through it. Yeah, other than that, that's pretty much like most of the gameplay I wanted. And we have like most of the shop. Yeah, besides that one thing with the rubies. Yeah, because the skins we did, I don't know if it was last stream. I think it was last week, like 2 streams ago. We did the skins. So now you can select a skin and equip it. So now you're like Yippee from outer space. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So we got that working, and we got like equipping the weapons working this stream. So I think... Oh, and I did this off stream. Like I made it so that like when you lose the game, you get like 100 points there, right? And then say you get like a game over, like it'll update your total stats. Like see, I went like 5.8 meters and 100 points, and I defeated an enemy, and it'll show up in the stats view. Although, okay, I just realized I need to round this distance traveled. It's like showing up to like a buttload of decimal places. Also, there's an extra like yellow at the bottom I need to fix. But yeah, let me actually fix this distance traveled thing. It's like rounding, or it's not even rounding at all. Like, see, it shows like the stats from the last game and your total stats. Wait, I just noticed it's like, I think it's swapped. Yeah, I just noticed I think my columns are swapped. Okay, yeah, I think the last game I got like 100 points and defeated one enemy. But like out of all the games, this is like, yeah, okay, so there's a couple of things I need to fix. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that. Yeah, let me do that right now. Because yeah, it's good that I showed it. Even though I was working on the gem stuff, like I just realized. It looks like we've got a couple of stuff in our stats view that are backwards. Yeah, let me fix that. Yeah, so we need to swap this stuff. Because I remember I swapped the column names, but I guess I didn't swap the actual data in the columns. Yeah. Yeah, so let me fix that. I think that's... I have like a stats table view somewhere. Yeah, here. Yeah, let me fix the things. So... Yeah, this will have to be like, I guess this is total stats? Let me see. Yeah, I think maybe in here, I need to swap it. Stats table row. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I need to swap this. Yep. Let me swap those things. And then we'll do a bit of rounding also. On the distance traveled, it should round to probably like 1 decimal place. Yeah. Yeah, so that would be here. We need to round this. I had the rounding code over in my game overview, so let me refer that. Here. Yeah, this stuff. We need this. The round format to 1 decimal place. Yeah. Yeah. We'll do that for our distance. So that should fix the stuff. Right? Yeah, so we need like string format. This thing. Yeah. String format. Last game stats. Dot distance traveled. And then the same for the total distance traveled. Yeah. Total stats. Okay, I think that should be good. I think that's good. Now let's show this again and see if we fix the stats stuff. Besides the little extra yellow stuff at the bottom. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's better. So it's like rounding, and now it's like the stats from the last game are the left column, and the stats from the totals are on the right column. That's good. We've got some good stuff going. Cool. Albeit the little extra yellow at the bottom will probably fix somehow. Maybe I can add some more stats. I don't know. Yeah, that could be a fix. But yeah, we've got this going. We also have a leaderboard. Oh, we've got like static data here. Like we've got like a Among Us imposter as #1 on the leaderboard for highest score and furthest distance, and Yippee's defeated. But we need I'm eventually going to integrate this with Game Center. Yeah, the only reason I was pending that was because I didn't have my Apple developer account approved. Yeah, because I needed that to do Game Center stuff. but I actually got it approved last week, so I should be able to do this in the next stream. That'll be good. So then we'll have like login with Game Center, and it'll pull your data from Game Center, and like your name and your all the profile stuff. Yeah, that should be pretty good. So yeah, we've got that pending, and then yeah, we gotta fix the extra little yellow at the bottom here, and then yeah, I guess the Ruby stuff I was working on, this one, I don't know. I mean, this one's kind of like a weird bug. It's like a lot of like async await stuff. I don't know. It might take a minute to fix that one. So maybe I'll put a pin in it and then come back to it. So I guess one of the things I wanted to do was make the game a bit easier and fix a couple of the bugs. So I might do that. Like one of the things I wanted to do was like shoot the projectiles at an angle instead of just kind of like straight on. Yeah. So like wherever you like your finger is on the screen, it should like shoot the laser in that direction. Yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to do. Yeah, and maybe what I could do is like angle the ranged weapon, like the ray gun, to like wherever it's shooting. That could be cool, I think. Yeah, I think there'll be some math involved in that though, like based on wherever your finger is, like what angle should the thing shoot at. Yeah, that's like trigonometry. Oh my gosh, now we're going back to math class. Okay, maybe I should do a little bit of math then. Yeah, maybe perhaps I'll do a little bit of math. Yeah, actually, yeah, let's do a little bit of math. So yeah, here's where the code is for this. Like in our, whatchamacallit, in our touches begin. Here. Yeah, here's where it's shooting the projectile. And we have it so that it's like going at a constant velocity in only on the x-axis. So if we wanted to shoot at an angle, we'd need to have some y here, right? Yeah, I think so. And then we'd also need to rotate the texture to like match that angle. So I wonder, can we do like a texture rotation? I don't know if that's like a thing. Or like, oh, we can do like I did do rotations for the some of the things. Yeah, I remember I did that for some. Like when you're swinging the sword, it rotates, right? So where did I have that code? I think I had it over, under, I think it was in the same place the touches began. Yeah, here it's like where I'm rotating the sword. Yeah, rotate by angle. Although that's an SK action. Yeah, that's not exactly... There's probably another way to do it. Let me see, do I have like a rotate somewhere? Rotate. Rotate melee weapon. I only have it with SK actions. Is there a way to rotate a sprite node without an SK action? Let me see. Rotate SK sprite node. Let's see, I'm gonna do a little bit of the looking up of the things and see. I'll do a little bit of investigations. Yeah, they're saying a lot of stuff about rotate with duration. I don't know. Can I rotate a texture? Rotate SK texture. Rotate the thing. Yeah, maybe I'll show what I'm looking at, because it's like, I don't know, I'm kind of like brute forcing the research. Yeah, let me show this. Try and rotate like say I want to shoot a laser beam like at an angle. I need to rotate the laser, the beam itself. Yeah, so how do we do the rotating thing? Let's see. They're doing some stuff here. I don't want to do SK action because that's like, I want it to be immediately rotated. Because this passes like a duration. Like this is like rotate it over a period of 1 second. I mean, I guess I could like rotate it with like 0 duration, but that seems a bit hacky. I don't know. It doesn't seem like the right way to do it. Yeah, I think I had something like this before. Yeah, there's like, you can do like layer rotating stuff with CA layer, like animation stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna look up some more things. Let's see. They have like rotate the thing. I don't know. I'm gonna hide this because maybe I should use a VPN, but like I don't want to accidentally dox myself. Like, oh, here's an ad for your exact location. Wow, that's pretty poggers. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna look up the thing and then just okay. Let's see. I don't know. I mean, well, the only solution I'm seeing is like the rotate by angle duration stuff, which is like, yeah, it's not. Oh wait, there's Z rotation. Okay, no wait. I don't need to show it, but I found the solution. You can do a Z rotation. Yeah, so there's like if I go back to this, or I guess it was like touches begin, right? Yeah, you can do this player projectile.z rotation, and you give it an angle. Yeah, and I think this is radians, I think. Yeah, so you need like, if you wanted like rotate 90 degrees, you'd do this, I think. Wait, I don't know math actually. I'm math illiterate. What is this? Is this 90 degrees? I don't know actually. Pi over 4. I think so, because 2 pi, I think, is 360. Yeah, I think I'm right. Okay. Yeah, so I think this is good. Yeah, so now we have to do the math where, like, wherever our finger's touching, rotate towards that location. Because this is like the touch location here. This is where our finger taps on the screen. So we need to rotate our thing in such a way that it goes to that location, and also have our velocity match that. Because if we have a velocity with x and y, then it'll go at an angle. So yeah, I don't know. I kind of want to bring out the old drawing board to do the math thing, because this is actual like trigonometry stuff. Yeah, let me bring out the old drawing board, and we'll go back to math class for a little bit. Yeah. Here is the GIMP, because Mac doesn't have Paint, unfortunately. But yeah, let's do a little bit of mathematics. So if I'm Yippee here, my wonderful Picasso drawing of Yippee. Oh man, I'm so bad at drawing, but we're doing a little bit of math, so this is beside the point. Yeah, so if I've got my bow and arrow, right? And I want my arrow to go like this, and I tap here. This is where my finger is. How do I do that? How do I do that? So here's like the trig part. Here's where the trig comes into play. Yeah, I basically need to like find this angle and this x and this y, right? And I have this location, so I have where the finger is, right? And I have this, because I know where this is shooting. So, yeah, how do we do the thing? We gotta do some trig, right? So, I guess this x is equal to x2 minus x1, right? Because if we have this as the x, and then we have this x, so then, oh wait, that's actually x1 minus x2, I think. Yeah, I think so. So, yeah, so that's this x. And then, if we get the y, we should be able to get the angle. So what is the y? The y is y1 minus y2. So then, what's this angle then? This is where we need the trig function, right? So if we have x and y, how do we get the angle between them? So this is adjacent. This is opposite. So, like, tangent, I think? Tan of... which is, like, opposite over adjacent, if I remember right. So that would be tan of A, like, y over x, to get the angle. Yeah, okay. I think so. I don't know. We'll test it and see. But I think that's what the things we need. So we need... this is, like... where the player tapped, X, minus where the arrow's being shot, X. Same for the Y. And then we do this tangent stuff to get the angle to rotate the laser beam at. Yeah, okay. I don't know. And we need to convert the angle to radians. Okay, let's see. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff, but I don't know if it'll actually work. But we can test it. We can at least try. Oh yeah, also, wait a minute, so this needs to be a velocity, right? Okay, wait. Then, wait, all of that stuff was distance, right? So then we just need to, like, do it over time, I think. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna scale it, I guess, to some number and test it. Let's first actually test the rotation, like that angle stuff, like the tangent stuff. Yeah, so I don't know. It's like, is there a tangent math dot tan? Like, I don't know. How do I do tangent in Swift? Tangent Swift. How do I do the thing? Okay, so it's like. Okay, I'm seeing there's a tan function. Tan, you pass a float here. So Yippee. Yeah, it's a bit late. We like to do the things at the late time. A little bit of late night math, a little bit of late night game dev. Why not? Yeah, welcome back, Aritmosa. We're doing a little bit of mathematical calculations to find out where we can shoot our laser beam. We want to do it where the person tapped. Yeah. Let's see. I think this is what is this? So we have like this touch location. We have the X, and yeah, I see tan. Yep, there's a little bit of math going on. Yeah, it's much more than I'm used to. PTSD coming hard. Yeah, we had to go back to school for this. We had to go back to math class to figure out how to do the thing. Yeah, unfortunately, there's a little bit of math in the game dev, more than I like. There's even like physics too. Oh my gosh, I hate physics. Oh, we've got that too. I can't handle. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's a little bit of PTSD inducing. I'm sorry. You gotta. Yeah, close your eyes. Close your eyes if you don't want to see. Yeah, don't try this at home. Don't try this at 3 a.m. Sine over cosine is tangent? Yeah, it's like, yeah. That's right. Opposite over adjacent. Yeah, so all the H cancels. Yeah. So we got like, what is this? Touch location X. What do we got? So, I think, yeah, and then we need like the location that we're firing at. So what is that? I think this is this position, which is this. So I need player projectile, position X, and what else do we got? It is enough for today. Yeah, it's a bit. It is a bit. I'll admit. Yeah. Wait, what is this? So it's like, wait, I'm looking at this function here, and it looks like, I don't know. I'm looking at an example online, and they're passing in like degrees in here instead of like X and Y values and stuff. I don't know. I'll try this and see. Because I'm not quite sure if we want to be passing this like X stuff in here. Let me try this. So this is like... Well, that's adjacent, so we need to do opposite divided by this, right? I don't know. What even is this? Wait, let me see. Yeah, I'm going back to math class 2. How to calculate tangent. Yeah, right. I think I'm right. It's like... Oh, wait. Oh, no, I'm wrong, actually. It is supposed to be an angle here. This is supposed to be an angle. So, we need to do arctangent to get the angle from the sides. Yeah, okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay, because this is actually... I'm looking online, and it's saying tan x equals opposite over adjacent. But we want x, so we need to do like arctangent, right? That equals... Yeah, that equals x. Yeah. Oh my gosh, we're going back to math class. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so I think we need this. And then... Yeah, what is opposite? So that's... this. Yeah, I think that's this. That should give us an angle. Yeah, I don't know if this is degrees or radian or whatever. Because I think the Z rotation takes it in... Wait, what is that? What is this Z rotation? Oh, this is radians. This is radians. And what is this? This arctangent, what is that? I don't know, actually. I don't know. Atan Swift. What does that return? Is that... degrees or radians? I'm not sure. Let me consult the documentation. I'm taking a look at the old documentation here. I think it's degrees, actually. Yeah, it's actually degrees, so we need to convert this to radians. So how do we convert degrees to radians in Swift? Actually, yeah, it's just like number. Okay, I found a function. How to convert degrees to radians, because yeah, I forgot, because it's been a while since we've done the whole math thing. So you pass in some number and you times pi over 180. Okay. I guess I can put this in my extensions, why not? This will be like an extension on double? Or what is this? This is float. We can do an extension on CG float and do this thing. Yeah. So we'll go to our extensions and we'll put this here. Because why not? Yeah, that should be good. And then we can do this. That'll be better. So that'll convert it to radians. Yeah, I think so. Right? Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. So, let's go back to our thingy. And let me do this. Dot. Degree to radian. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't know if this will work. That's a whole lot of math and a lot of weird things, and then... Yeah, we'll see. We'll do a little bit of investigating. And we'll take a look. So this shouldn't actually move it to where we need it to be, but... It'll rotate it to where our mouse clicks. Yeah. So let me show and see if it'll actually rotate. Let's see. So I'm gonna click like where the pause button is. Oh, that's a bit anticlimactic. Oh, I think it maybe because it's because we need to set this before. Like there. Let's actually also print player projectile Z rotation. See if it's actually rotating to like a right value. Yeah, I did a little bit of printing of the things and moving of the code around. And we'll see. We'll see. So now I'm gonna click towards here. Okay, so it's saying the rotation is 9. And it's like a constant rotation. Okay, so it looks like... oh, I think I see... well... Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it's like a constant value. So I think it's rotating, but it's not rotating it a lot. Like it's rotating, what, like 9 radians or something, which I guess isn't like noticeable. Let's see. Let's see. Something else could be going on. Something else. Let's see. Maybe the math is wrong. We have touch location minus this. Let's consult the codes again. Here's the opposite, adjacent. We divide them. We do the ATAN thing. Convert it to radians. For this. Yeah. Let's see. Ideally, it shouldn't be giving us back like 9 every time. Yeah. So... well, let's print like touch location and player projectile location. Player projectile location. Or position. And we'll print laser. Or I guess like what was it? Touch location. Position. Or just like touch location. Yeah, let's see. What are these values actually? Let me see. So, okay, so I think that's working. Like these are the right locations. So maybe my math was wrong. Although it shouldn't be getting back like 9 every time. Like these values are changing. But we're still getting like 9 for our Z rotation every time. Oh, wait. I think... am I printing Z position? Oh, I am. Oh, I'm like, what's going on there? Yeah, I was printing the wrong thing. Oops. Yeah, so now we should be printing the right thing. So, what is it? It's now Z rotation. Oh, okay, I see. Our Z rotation's like really tiny. Yeah, so maybe our math is wrong, or like our units are off, or something. I think... yeah, I think our math might be a bit off. Yeah, let's see then. What could be going on then? We'll do a little bit of investigating into the mathematics. So, yeah, let's see. So perhaps I think this is fine. This is all fine and dandy. So this is like the whole opposite over adjacent stuff. Yeah, this should actually be okay. This here. So maybe it's this function that we're using. Or this degree to radian might not be working. Yeah, let's see what it is without this degree to radian stuff. Maybe the conversion was off. Let's see. So... oh yeah. Oh, okay, now the angle's right. Oh, awesome. Now we're shooting our, like, Kamehamehas. Kamehameha! This is good. Nice. So now it's going at the angle that we want it, I think. Cool. Our math is good now. This is good. Alright. That's pretty nice. Alrighty. So now we have that working. We got these angled laser beams. Now we just need to shoot them at the right angle. Yeah. And probably angle the ray gun also. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I don't know. Maybe. But now we have these shooting at an angle. It's like I'm clicking towards the pause button. It's like shooting towards there. And if I shoot straight, now it's shooting straight. If I shoot down, it's shooting down. So that's good. So I've got that working. Yeah, so I guess we don't need this degree to radian thing. I guess that was already good enough. But then we need to change the Y thing here. Yeah. So how do we want to go about that? Like, what's the Y we should be shooting at? Let's think. How do we want to go about this? I think that perhaps... I'm not sure. So I think X is fine. We just need to angle it to the right Y. So for X is gonna be 500. What should the Y angle be? Or like, yeah, what should it be to angle it at that Y value? This is a physics problem now. Oh my gosh. We went from trigonometry to physics. Bro. Dude, I'm starting to question whether it's worth it to like angle the laser beam. Because I don't know if it even looks nice. I don't know. Kinda. I don't know. We'll see. We'll take a look. So... yeah, let's just see if we can get this Y value to be kind of going in the same angle as the thing. Yeah. So if our X is gonna be like 500, what should our Y be? That should kind of increase or decrease depending on the angle, right? Yeah, but this is a velocity though. I'm gonna go back to the math board. We're gonna go back to the little Picasso drawing that we made and see how we can do this Y stuff. Yeah, because I think there might be something that's off, something a little bit off for getting the Y value. So say our X velocity is 500, or I guess this is position, but say our velocity is 500. Yeah. What is this Y velocity? Like this is, I don't know, Vx is equal to this. So Vy equals something, and we have angle equal to, oh, we have angle 1. We'll just say angle 1, because why not? So what is Vy? If we have Vx and angle 1, how do we know what Y velocity to fire at? Yeah, wait, this is like, is this angular velocity stuff? I don't know. This is physics class. Oh my goodness. I don't remember. How do I'm gonna look this up. Like, calculate Y velocity given X velocity and angle. The Y component of the velocity equals the speed times the sine of the angle. Oh, that's, yeah, Google just answered it for me. So we need to do speed times sine of angle. Okay, that's good enough. Yeah, so we'll do that. So we have the speed, which is 500, and we need to multiply it by sine of our rotation. Yeah, okay. So I don't know if this is radians or degrees or whatever, but Well, we'll see. Let's see if this works. Yeah. Let's take a little gander and see. So, if I shoot this way... Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, you can't see my mouse where it's clicking because it's not tracking in my OBS. But I'm clicking like where the laser's going. Oh, that's awesome. See, because now the game should be a bit easier. Because like, now we can shoot at an angle to get that guy. Before we could only shoot straight. Yeah, before we could only do this. But now we can... Oh wait, I see a problem though. Looks like it's shooting into the ground if we're trying to shoot up. Yeah, okay, that could be a problem. Also, I'm clicking down, but it's shooting up. You know what this looks like? It looks like I'm trying to get a Wi-Fi signal. Oh my gosh, Earth to Yippee. Yeah. We're trying to contact the aliens with our laser beam. Yeah, the Yippee has received the signal. The bat signal. The Wi-Fi signal has been received by the Yippee. Yeah, so I think it works from the right, but not from the left. I think... Oh, I know what's happening. It's backwards on the left. So we need to multiply it by a -1. Yeah, I think the angle and the... Oh, just the angle and the Y thing. When I turn left, it needs to be multiplied by -1. Yeah, yeah. Wow, okay. Wow, I can't believe this is working. Wow, we did some math and it's actually doing the thing. Nice. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, so I need to do this. Player is facing right. This, otherwise... we do this. Minus here. And then for our angle here... Yeah, let me see. I can do this. Let player projectile angle equal this. So now I can just say this. I can say player is facing right. Player projectile angle minus player projectile angle. Yeah, I think that should be good. And I can get rid of that extension function I made because that actually, we're not using it. Yeah. So, let's see now. Let's see now. So now our angle should be good when we're shooting from the left and the right. Yeah. Wow. I didn't expect that to actually work. That's good. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Oh wait, I think... Oh no, our Y trajectory is still wrong, I think. I think it's backwards, but the angle that it's going at is good. That's nice. Cool. Yeah, I think maybe I gotta take out this code here. This one. Yeah, if they're facing right, do that. I think we can just do this all the time. Cool. This is nice. This is good. Now let's try running this again. Alright. And then, so that's good. And we shoot at this angle. Oh no, we got the sonic waves again. Okay. Let's see. So I shoot like this. I think our angle's off when we turn left. Our angle is. So, yeah, what is our angle then? Yeah, it's like sideways here. Like it's fine when we're right. Like you don't see where my mouse is clicking, but it's like I'll say I'm clicking towards the pause button right now. So you see, it's like it's going towards the pause button. But then now I'll say I'm clicking towards the ruby. But it's like, I mean, it's going in the right place, but the angle of the laser's wrong. So it looks like we're trying to receive like a Wi-Fi signal. Yeah, let's see. So we gotta like rotate it to be right. Yeah, so this is fine. I think it's keeping the same angle as like when we shoot to the right. When ideally it should kind of like... it should turn the other way. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. So... yeah, let's see. We'll take a look at our angle code. This is what we're doing. We're making it so like if we're right, we do this. Otherwise we subtract it. Yeah. I mean... yeah, I don't know. This seems fine. Like if I do this, player, projectile, angle. That was kind of how we had it before. But... I think there was a problem with it if I remember. Yeah, if I remember right, yeah, then I think there might have been a little bit of an issue there. So it's still fine when it's right, but then when we go left, oh wait, no, it is going at the right angle. It's just like disappearing because it's hitting the ground. Oh, okay. Wait, so if I... wait, that's weird. Why is it like spawning so like just close to the ground then? Yeah, because I think it is actually shooting at the right angle then. Oh no, wait, but now it's not going. I'm like clicking at the bottom left of the screen and it's shooting towards the top left. Oh, I see what's going on. It's... okay. It's like... okay, I know what's going on. It's supposed to be... yeah, it's like inverted. It's inverted, so I think the whatchamacallit. It's supposed to be shooting towards... like, how do I describe it? I guess the touch location is backwards. Yeah, that's what I think. That is what I'm thinking. Yeah. Yeah. So if touch location is like backwards, how do I want to do it then? Yeah. That's what I think. Yeah. Let's see, how can I fix that? Thinking emoji. Thinking emoticon. I don't know if I should also rotate the weapon too, to match it. Yeah. I'm not quite sure actually. Yeah. Let's see though. Yeah, so I'm clicking at like the bottom when I go left, but it's... yeah. Oh, because it's like... okay, it works if I like shoot the opposite way. Yeah, okay. This is interesting. What if I do like minus of the... I have an idea. It's a weird idea, but I think it might do something. Let me see. Oh, hello, Heldfeld, welcome. We're building a Yippee mobile game. Right now we've got like a little bit of some code to shoot some laser beams. We're working on the angle to shoot the laser beams at. Yeah, welcome. I do some of the mobile game coding stuff, and sometimes I play some games. Yeah, we like to do some things around here. What does Yippee mean for a mobile game? Oh, Yippee is like this little creature thing. It's like this little character. Yeah, the original character is kind of like this little white thing, but there was a meme online about some like Yippee creature saying like Yippee, and I turned it into a mobile app. So now you can play as little Yippee, and defeat enemy Yippies with your righteous sword or little weapon or ray gun of choice. Yeah, it'll be good. It'll be good. Yeah. Well, we've turned the little Yippee meme into a kind of a mobile game. So that's what we've got going on. Yeah. Okay. Yippee biped on all fours. Yeah, it kind of looks like a little horse. Yeah, I pinned a little video which kind of, it's like a, kind of related to the Yippee meme. It's a little bit of original context. It's like, there was this video of like I don't know if it was like a Russian kid who was talking about some cola or Coke he had, and he said Yippee. So that's where like the original sound effect came from, and then someone turned it into like associated with this little creature. Yeah, I think the actual creature itself comes off of like Twitter. I think someone drew this for some like, I don't remember the context. They just like drew it and posted it on Twitter, and now it's become like widely used. Yeah. So, but we like the Yippies around here, and playing as the Yippee in our little game. Yeah. Oh, we've got some good stuff going on though. Oh, hey Sputnik, welcome. What's the plot? It's not much plot. It's just like, I guess. Well, we're in a little kingdom, and we're trying to get as far as possible as we can by defeating all the enemy Yippies who try to attack us. Yeah. It's more so kind of like a, I don't know, I wouldn't say it's more like a story game. It's more like a kind of, try and get as far right as possible without dying. Yeah. That's what I would say. Yeah. It's kind of like, it's supposed to be kind of like a replayable game. You could take inspiration from Centaur World. Oh, what is that? I haven't heard of that. Centaur World. Let me take a look. Yeah, what is that? That sounds interesting. Centaur World. Oh, it kind of looks. It gives off the same vibes. Yeah, I'm taking a look at this. It looks interesting. It reminds me of like Yippee. Yeah. I see this. It kind of does look like a Yippee. You've got the little horsey kind of Yippee things. Yeah, like they've even got the eyes. Cartoon, 2 seasons, absolutely stupid. Has some amazing plot, but also a lot of stupid stuff. Yeah, we like to do the stupid mobile games around here. So yeah, it gives off the same energy. Yeah. Yeah, we like to make the silly things around here. Yeah. Well, it does kind of give off the similar vibes. Like the little Yippee with the giant eyes. It's like a little horsey. Interesting. Yeah, I haven't heard of that show. That's interesting. Yeah, it seems pretty neat. I missed it. I missed out on it. Yeah. Oh, we've got some cool little weapons we can equip as a Yippee. Like we've got we also got like our own sword. We can get a sword, like buy a sword and get that. And now we're a sword wielding Yippee. Yeah. And we can also get little skins in the shop too. So we can get like a purple skin or something. Yeah, should be pretty good. Oh wait, I think my thing froze. Wait, let me do a little cheeky restart. Yeah, a little restart. But yeah, we can be a little purple Yippee. I like the purple one. Yeah. It can be purple Yippee and defeat the enemies. The enemy Yippies. It can be a little Yippee on the perch. Yeah. You do any of the art, or is it just pulled from the tweet you were talking about? Oh, only the little creature I pulled from the tweet. Like the little Yippee creature. That's not mine. Everything else, I kind of just like... I kind of either use like Photoshop, like for like the... like some of the things. Or I used I'll mention a little secret. I used a little bit of the artificial intelligence for some of the drawings. A little bit of AI art. I know it's kind of frowned upon, but I don't know. I'm not very good at art at all, and I was like, well, what's a cheap option? Yeah, so like all the arrow, the bow, the sword, the background, even the dirt. It's all AI. Yeah. Even the little, the space background here. Oh no, actually, I think the space I got from somewhere else. Yeah, like all the other stuff. You want some pixel art? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Pixel art is pretty good. Yeah, I don't want to like, I don't know. I'm a little bit of a cheapskate right now, so I'm going for the budget free option. I think I'm okay with what I have though right now. Yeah, I think this is good. Like, even though it's like AI stuff, I drew over a little bit stuff in Photoshop to kind of make it look better. Like for example, the slingshot used to be a red. It was like, it had like a red strap when I generated it. Yeah, it's a good budget though. I definitely want some art for future games though. Like, I think I'm at the point where I kind of want to like, might worry about stealing the Yippee thing. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, yeah, because that's right. It's not really original. It's not. This is not my IP, I guess. Like for the Yippee. Yeah, so I mean, if they want me to take it down and use like a different character, then yeah, I would. But for the time being, though, I'll go with this. Yeah, but yeah, we'll definitely have to be on the lookout, though. Yeah. You could make a quick pixelated llama Yippee. Oh, nice. Yeah. I guess like for like another skin. Yeah, that could work. Like if we wanted to have, because we just have this space Yippee here. Yeah. I think I'm okay with the ones that I have now. At least this one's, because I wanted it to be kind of based off of the meme. Yeah, because it was like a Yippee mobile game. Adventures of Yippee. The Yippist. Yes. Yeah, so we'll keep it as long as we can. And if they tell us to take it out, then yeah, we'll take it out. Because the original... Yeah, gotta reference the source. Yeah, probably. I'll probably put that in the App Store page. Like, reference the original creator. Because it was just like a random Twitter post, if I remember right. But yeah, I'll put that in the App Store page, because that's definitely deserves all the credit for creating the original Yippee Zero. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, but that's kind of why I went for creating most of my own assets besides the Yippee, just so I didn't run into any like copyright stuff. But yeah, for the Yippee itself, yeah, gotta check out for that for sure. Yeah. Definitely gotta respect the original owners for sure. But yeah, we got some good stuff going though. We definitely got some stuff going for sure. Yeah, now we're able to like shoot these laser beams at an angle. So like if there's ever an enemy up here, we can take him out. Yeah, before we just had it shooting straight. So like if a dude charged at us from here, we were kind of out of luck. Yeah, because we couldn't shoot at an angle to stop him from charging at us. But now we can kind of shoot down or shoot up. We can do a whole bunch of stuff. Yeah, we got some good stuff going. Yeah. It's pretty good. But yeah, it's definitely something I want to work on in this game. Kind of fine-tune it a bit to make it a bit easier. Yeah. Weird stuff when it's straight up or down. Yeah, it is kind of... Yeah, if it's like super straight up, then it gets a bit weird. Yeah, I'll admit it's like pretty... Yeah, if it's like straight up... Yeah, actually I noticed like it looks like if it's like straight enough, it'll hit the ground and it'll stop it from spawning. Yeah, so actually that's no good. Yeah, if it's like super straight up, then it'll like hit the ground and immediately despawn. Yeah, so we've got a couple of bugs to fix for sure. Yeah. But we got some good stuff going. We definitely need to fine tune it a little bit. Maybe limit the angle of the laser, but not aim ability. Oh, that's a good... Oh, wow. That's actually a great suggestion, Hellfelt. Yeah, I think I'll do that, actually. Yeah, thanks for that. I think that'll actually help a lot. It's like, say I can limit it to be like this angle. Like, I can have like a cone of angles that it'll go at. Yeah, because if it's like too steep, then it'll hit the ground and it'll like immediately go away. But if it's capped out at a certain angle, then it won't ever hit the ground. Or like, you know, yeah. Yeah, let's see. How do I cap it? Or like, what should the cap be? Oh, good, look, I'm gonna do some reading. Ah, yeah, thanks for hanging around. Yeah, thanks. Yes, see you later. Good luck on the reading. Yeah. Yeah, we'll definitely cap it at an angle. That was a pretty good suggestion. Well, let's do that. So we have our angle code here. Or no, it's here, Z rotation. So we can do like an if statement check in here. Like if the angle is like too big, then we'll set it to a certain angle. Yeah, let's find out what cap we want it to be. Yeah, so let's actually print the angle and find out what exactly the cap we want. Because we can test this by just like printing the angle and seeing what works. Yeah, so angle to, like, I guess projectile angle, we can say. Actually, we have this already here. Yeah. So we'll print this, and we'll see. We'll take a little look and see how we want it to go. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That is what I'm thinking. So let's bring up the old handy dandy simulator and do some printing of the angles. So let's say we want to cap it like here. Like this is the angle we want to cap it at. What's being printed? So we have 0.61. So we'll say like max angle up. We'll say 0.61. Like max angle down. Let's see. What angle do we want down? So I think 0.61, we can have like the angle going up. Yeah, what angle do we want going down though? That's the thing. Yeah, I sniped that dude. we got right at the right angle. Yeah, so let's say, what angle do we want shooting down? Yeah, what's this angle actually? What is that? That is minus 0.7. So maybe we can have like 0.61 and minus 0.61. That's kind of like our range for the angles. Yeah. So if our angles ever are too big or too small, then we can cap it. So yeah, I guess what we can say is like, we can have some logic here, like, we can have this. We can say, player projectile angle is greater than 0, then the angle should be the max of the min of this. Yeah. Otherwise, it should be the max of minus 0.61 and the angle. Yeah, I think that should work. That's how we can cap it. So now we shouldn't have like the angle ever going too steep or something. Oh, also still showing the thing. Yeah, here was that code. So having like if the angle's positive, then we cap it out at 0.61. If it's negative, then we cap it out at minus 0.61. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So let's test that. Let's test that. Yeah. Let's see. Let's take a little gander. So, yeah. So now if I try and like shoot really steep, it won't go so steep. If I do this, then it won't go past like this level of steepness. Yeah, I think that's good. This is good. So now I can like shoot down at this angle. Yeah. This is good. I like this. The only problem we have is like on the left side, it's not going to the right place, but I think we're good for the most part, actually. For the most part, we're good. Yeah. Yeah. But I think actually with that, I might probably I might wrap it up, because like, yeah, that was a lot of progress. We got quite a lot of stuff done, like even more than what I was planning. Yeah. This is good. This is good. We got the equipping of the weapons. Now we can shoot laser beams. Yeah, we've got quite a lot going. This is a lot of progress. Yeah. This is good. This is good. So we've got like, just to kind of like recap. Now we can like select what we buy in the shop and shoot it, like for our bat, and then shoot the little rocks for our slingshot. Yes. This is very good. So that's one thing with the melee and the range weapon. Yeah, we also fixed some bug in our stats I noticed with like these columns being swapped, and then it wasn't rounding the distance traveled. So we fixed that. Yeah. And then, yeah, and then we started working on this gem stuff. So we have it so that when you buy the gems, it updates the balance in the back end. But there's still a bug with it updating in the front end. So like, let's say I try and get it to like 73,000 by buying a bunch. Yeah, now it's at 74,000, but I have to like go out of the shop and go back in to update it. But yeah, we got that going on the back end, so that's good. Yeah, so we've got some good stuff going on. Yeah, I think I'll probably wrap it up then, but I'll think that for the next stream, I'll probably fix this bug off stream. Also, the angle of the projectiles when I turn left, it's like backwards. So I'll fix that off stream probably. But I think the next stream I might do either Game Center, if I have it ready, with my account set up for the leaderboard, or I'll start working on making it look nice on iPad, because yeah, if I show what iPad looks like, it's pretty, I think it's all squished or small. Yeah, let me show what iPad looks like. It's pretty, yeah, it's not looking the greatest, but that might be next stream to fix it on iPad. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, here's kind of what the iPad looks like. It's like it's a bit scuffed a little bit. Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's not even like visible. It's like everything's cropped. Yeah, so we'll definitely fix it. We'll fix it so it's not like everything's very tiny and like misscaled. Yeah, actually, I think, yeah, this is what it looks like on iPad. Yeah, so we need to make everything kind of bigger. The buttons are pretty small and the labels. So, and look at that, the little dude spawns in like too early. Yeah. So we'll make it look nice on iPad, for sure. Yeah, that's kind of gonna be the problem with all the views actually. Like, I think on this one too. It might be the same. Yeah, look at that. It's like everything's kind of off-scaled. So I need to kind of change the height and width of things. Yeah. That might be next stream. Like, scaling things to look nice. Yeah, either that, or Game Center, or just fixing some bugs and some more fine-tuning of the game. But, yeah, I think we've got some good stuff going on. And we did, like, more than I expected this stream, so that's awesome. Yeah, with that, I'll probably wrap it up then. Yeah, so with that, thanks for watching. This was part, what was it, 28, I believe? Let me confirm that, actually. Yeah, part 28 of making a Yippee mobile game. Wow. We've got all the UI done. We're doing some fine-tuning of the game. We're almost done with, like, saving data. I just need the rubies saved, and that's, like, it. Actually, no, we finished saving data, actually, because we're saving all the rubies. Yeah, so we've got the backend and UI done. So we're pretty much just focused on fixing, like, bugs, and then gonna add Game Center. That's pretty much it. So bugs, Game Center, and making it look nice on iPad. That's what's left. So, like, one of those will probably be next stream. Yeah. So that'll be good. That'll be good. We'll make the game easier and look nice and get some Game Center and fine-tune the things. Yeah, it'll be good. It'll be good. And then we'll have it on the App Store. And that'll be awesome. That'll be cool. So, yeah. With that, thanks for watching part 28 of building a Yippee mobile game. Hope you enjoyed. I'll be back next Friday, 8 p.m. Pacific, with one of the things for working on the Yippee mobile game. Yeah, that'll be good. Also, I should mention I have some interesting stuff in the pipeline going on. We'll probably get some art done for the whole Twitch and the YouTubes and the things. That'll be pretty cool. Yeah. So that should be good. But yeah, with that, I hope you have a nice rest of your weekend. I'll be there next Friday, so yeah. Take care and stay safe. Yeah, catch you on the next time with part 29. Yep. Bye.